I am here vibing, one of the most successful duos in the history of reggae music. Their parents named them Brian Derek Thompson and Patrick Anthony Morrison, but we know them as
Brian and Tony Gold.
Father Brian.
Bless up.
Everything good? Father Tony.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Everything alright, sir?
Yeah, man, everything blessed, man.
Give thanks, give thanks. It's a joy, brother.
Yeah, man, real joy, real
Bless
joy.
up.
Said I wasn't expecting this. Don't teach them come here for run the place.
From out of the blues, you stole my heart. Teach them aim and shot your bow. Now every day I'm praying. Every day I'm praying we'll never part. Teach them you hit you right between the eyes with your sweet soul. One shot I'll never
Body know.
teach them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Tony,
Yes, sir.
talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Manchester, place called Porus.
Yeah.
Yeah, live at Redbury, but I was born in Mandeville
Hospital, okay.
So I'm born in Mandeville,
Yeah. But you grew up in Porus. Yes.
Redbury, line side, you know?
Yes.
Wonderful days, great days. I mean, growing up, it was a vibe,
Yes.
you know, because like there was a cluster of houses. I can remember. Miss Brown, may I show rest in peace. Miss Murty over there, so may I show rest in peace. Miss Dassa, same thing.
Yeah.
We have a lot of kids.
Yeah.
You know, so them times growing
Nice
up was,
vibe growing up.
Nice vibe, man, you know,
Where did you attend school though?
It was Porus Infant, Porus Primary, Porus Secondary.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then after that I left country and
Alright, we'll soon come back to live in country.
Yeah.
Father Brian, talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Alright. A planet named Rehearsal.
Yeah.
Forward comma, another planet named Earth.
Yeah.
In a place named Birmingham. Through a hospital on a street named Loveday.
Yeah.
So Loveday Street. See how Tony Gold can tell the same banner Mandeville Hospital.
Yeah.
The banner
Loveday Street.
Alright. Did us now for 2.5 years. And parents decide say they must send me come to Jamaica. Them have family. My mother have family, my father have family at Jamaica.
Yes.
You know, and that's where them come. I asked them come from.
Yes.
Alright. So 2.5 me come here, my brother. But the flight for come here, I'm not gonna lie to you. I ball the whole way, the whole 9.5 hours I cry from beginning to end.
Yeah.
I remember no mommy nor daddy never dead with me.
Oh, so
On the
mommy and
flight.
daddy never. Oh, so who you came down with?
A man named Mr. Joe. Father, you bless up yourself. Yeah. Father, you carry me go meet Mr. Joe.
Joe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Tell me. Real thing we are.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are Jamaica now and them carry me go Ginger Ridge. Remember now England we did there for the first 2.5 years. So a brick wall me know inside of mine, you know. But when I come to Ginger Ridge, you know, appear tree and bush and I start ball.
Boy, you remember them things at 2.5 though?
You don't know, you don't understand. You see certain things in your life.
Yeah.
You don't forget, you know.
Alright,
You're
well.
how young, you don't forget, man. Depending upon the trauma where you go through, you know. But for me, you know, it was just enough balling. I ball morning, evening, noon and night.
Yeah.
I don't regret it. So anyways, Ginger Ridge, my ball, them send me come to Vineyard Town. Come live. 7 Burcombe Avenue. Vineyard Town. Yeah, right across from Marion Road and run up and down on Deaner Road. Yeah, man, we go around Tony Gold Road. What Tony Gold Road the name again? Dorset Avenue. Alright, all of that in the vicinity. So there Vineyard Town now and my first basic school was St. George's Prep.
Yeah.
Now St. George's Prep is an all-girls school. Teach them. With that more want to know. All-girls school. Brian ended up at St. George's Prep through a lady now named Miss McKnight.
Yeah.
She used to teach at St. George's Prep. And I'm telling you, I grew up here, teacher and pharmacist and doctor and reverend.
Yeah.
That play a big role in my life too. Them four professions, me have to face them almost every day. You will come to understand why.
Yeah.
So, Mrs. McKnight is a friend of Aunt Luce, who is the teacher when my mother come send me come live with. The nurse is Aunt Sissy. Two girls supposed to remember Aunt Sissy. Aunt Sissy now was the district midwife for Vineyard Town. At the time, some McGregor Gully and all of them placed the Aunt Sissy are the nurse with little Brian. Understand? So good. So, school, St. George's, then we go to Rallington Town Primary School now. Just down the road from Burcombe Avenue. See? Rallington Town, 6 years. Them find out so I can sing while me I go Rallington Town.
Yeah.
I start singing in my bathroom. My auntie hear me and say, huh? Choir practice, man. From there, so my brother school choir, church choir, party, barbecue, funeral. Have mercy. Me can't live like that.
Yeah.
My youth one time I have to tell people, say, look now, I'm not singing no more funeral.
Yeah.
But them wouldn't know us, and I just mention
Yeah. But may I ask you a question now, because if me as a youth I go to all girls school, me then probably happy, you know.
No, well, me never tell you no say me vex.
Yeah. So what was that experience like though?
Well, from what I can remember.
But you're the young still, so, and I like it beneficial to you anyway.
I feel say it will be a setting where all of the girls them up there, so Mrs. McKnight there, so cause she can't go to school now. And mother probably decide her.
Yeah.
You know, so that would have more that setting there.
Okay.
Feel.
Yes.
I don't feel them would allow me to venture into the gathering of me no feels.
Yes.
At that time. Even though most how much loved you by girls still. Me always there one girl, a pure girl in the family.
Yes.
What you will come for that.
Yeah.
Girls play a big role in my life. Give thanks. The women played a big role in Brian's life.
Where did you go to high school?
I went to Kingston College.
KC old boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
King's College, you know.
The father told you know, pick up from primary school, high school days, because you also attended school in Kingston.
Yeah, primary school, poorest primary, poorest secondary.
Yes.
And I left poorest secondary when I was in 9th grade. Came to Kingston. When I come to Kingston now is something they go down with. You understand, my sister, my father come down there and hear what go on and decide say, "Oh, take me because you know what happened." You understand, what happened to me, so he take me and he bring me to Kingston. So I come to Kingston now, Holy Trinity.
Holy Trinity, yeah.
And I enroll in Holy Trinity. For enroll in Holy Trinity, I have to have my school report from the past.
From poor secondary.
So I have to go down now to get the report and things. So one weekend now, my father now carry me go downtown, put me on a bus to go get the report. See, when we up on the bus, everybody look at me. My father was a police.
Yes.
So he carry me down in a jeep and put me on the bus, everybody look at me. Like, you understand? So anyway, we go country. It was a Friday, I was supposed to get the report, come back up the Saturday. Something they go down, I can't remember what it was. And we couldn't forget the report on a Friday. So I had to wait.
Until the following week.
Yeah, until the following week. So me don't know, me get the report and me come back at town. I come back at town now. My father work at Amman Barracks.
Yes.
Station at Amman Barracks sometimes. So me have to carry breakfast at morning time and stuff like that. So one morning me carry breakfast to give now and when we reach up at camp, I see a police brethren. I hear the police brethren say, "Then Maro, are that the big boy they say last?"
Yeah.
Because so when we go down now, we don't have no phone to tell me to get the report to come back and things. So
no communication.
Yeah, no communication. So I tell him, "Brethren, my boy, I got a coach and the boy last." And that's that. Yeah man, so then we got into Holy Trinity. We finished secondary school or so. Then I went to Dunham after that. Because you had, whenever Holy Trinity, they had some entrance tests at Dunham.
Yes.
Dunham is a technical high school. You had entrance tests where you could have take and get in. So I went and I do the entrance test. And for the result, everybody was here for the result. And then, call out some name and put them over there. So me was another batch of them put over there. So.
Yeah.
Then them call, we know, a couple of us now, and them say, boy, we never get through. But them put up on standby. So I don't want to get a call. So I go down and them say, them accept me. I need to brush up on the maths and things. So I'm getting that done. Getting that done, and it was a nice vibe. Because I just come from country, even Holy Trinity, when you go to Holy Trinity, you know, say I have to get name. When you go to school, man, you name. So me come from country, you know, neat, you know, man.
Yeah.
You understand? Because discipline and neat, and me come to town now and tuck in and, like, you understand? So me there at school now and I'm virgin name Yo-Yo.
Yo.
Yeah. The man see me and the man say, how are you there? Him Stiffy, a Stiffy.
Yeah.
So from that, the man start calling me Stiffy. You know? So from that day, you know, me pull out my shirt and, you know, pull it right out,
yeah.
and kind of relax my shirt and chill up my walk, you know, because I'm a town man.
Yeah, but what was it like though, growing up in poorest Manchester, from a financial perspective?
Growing up, it was not that great.
Yeah.
Yeah, better than the worst still.
Yes.
I mean, it could have been worse. And we learned, we were taught to be satisfied.
Satisfied with what you have.
You understand? And my mother tried. She really tried. My father was working in Kingston at the time as a police, and sometimes like you don't see him like every month or you understand? No one there you see him come down. Food wise now, it would be him send on grocery. You understand? So when that run out, I eat that. So we have to go to shop and we have
your bill.
Less on our way. You understand? We trust and all them things. And sometimes I say, well, the bill not pay. You know, sometimes you go home for lunch from school, nothing there. And we know so nothing there home for lunch. But you nobody have to know where I go.
Just a routine,
Yeah,
you just do the
go
thing. Yeah.
Drink, go out and go back to school and all them something there. So they kind of rough, like shoes, one pair of shoes. Mr. Murray now, you have a man at town here, Mr. Murray. But he used to make shoes. I'm a father virgin.
Yeah.
So he used to go country and sell shoes. I have a van when he drive and then go country and sell shoes. And when shoes don't know, you know that barefoot thing you have to deal with. And then when Mr. Murray come up country now, my father would tell him to stop and make me get shoes. So go out and try on shoes. So when the shoes are done, I eat that, you know. And that's because the shoes have everything.
Yeah.
School,
church, everything.
And when that done, that done.
I know that settings are still. Yeah, man. Been there.
But nobody never know, you know, because it's true we a policeman pick it up.
Yeah.
Nobody checks away, alright. And through that we get teachings about nobody have to know about that one thing. So we did kind of, and but I just one of them things, you know,
Yeah.
we make it through and
how many siblings?
It's 9 of us.
9. Everybody still around?
Everybody's still around.
Give thanks.
6 girls, 3 boys.
Yeah. Mommy and daddy still around?
Mommy and daddy still around.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks. Father Brian. Yes, no, brother. So the schooling thing now, KC.
Yeah.
What was that experience like?
Well, I'm going to tell you, say, I teach, I'm a grow with that.
Yeah.
Well, my brother, believe it or not, while I go to KC, principal of KC happened to be my uncle, Mr. Woodburn Miller.
Yeah.
So my auntie decided to say, make me into a better man in fields and sure just move and just go spend some time
With the
him.
uncle.
Because I usually normally go visit him, you know. We live at Trafalgar Park. One time we used to be at Vineyard so move go up Trafalgar Park. I love this is my growth and things.
Yeah.
We live at the principal yard now. Brother, I go to KC. In my class, I pay back.
Yeah.
He just always find himself.
Yeah.
And that group of youth, you know, we just get trouble.
Yes.
But good trouble in our eyesight. But for the elders, it no. But I just that's something always, you know. Me I come now to
What was it like growing up from a financial perspective though?
Well, them did provide for me.
They provide for you?
Yes, because I get enough provision.
Yeah. Sound like it was a well-off youth though, Brian.
Why? Well, you know, sense some people would have said that.
Yeah.
Would have said that.
You want to sound like Tony wants you broke rich.
Yeah, that thing was say, man. That thing
Yeah.
was say. But
Food was on the table.
Yeah, man.
Clothes was on the back. Shoes was on the
My
feet.
was a farmer.
Yeah.
And him provide for the trust me.
Teacher, you see how them days the teacher?
Yeah.
You should get out of pants. At Christmas time, alone.
You get part.
Money have to save from, you understand? And we come at town and we go, I'm a Woolworth and
Yeah.
I'm gonna try on a pants and that's it. You understand what the pants are done? So you have to make sure you take care of them things.
I know that's what you just little to what believe you when we tell her.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So Brian though, can you say mommy and daddy didn't accompany you on the flight to Jamaica?
No.
Did they ever come to Jamaica to live?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Well, that was the intention for the mother. My father used to be back and forth,
Yes.
but my mother didn't want to come to reside permanently. You know. But that never worked out in that manner. And my father did get killed in the...
Oh.
Yeah, she did take it. She take it hard.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, she put a bottle of vodka right straight. She take it real hard. She tell me by bang say no more man in her life. And live so she do that.
So how old were you when the old man dropped out?
In time I was 17. In the fourth family case.
Yeah.
But I live with Samila at her Uncle Woody.
Yeah.
So,
Principal.
yeah man, like so me have no father.
The old lady is still around?
Yeah man, but she there in England. She just come for the funeral. Make me know who kill him and she move.
Yeah, but is she still around now?
No.
Or she passed on?
Yeah, she
my
passed
my condolences. Yeah.
She live a islandful life. She
Yeah.
go through enough country she come from and for.
Yeah.
Live a islandful life.
Talk to me though, Brian. When did you realize that you have musical gifts? Some music in here. Probably don't know how much yet, but there was some music.
Well, I really in the bathroom, you know, with the milk, with the water. Yeah. Me always, from water touch me, I tell me to sing.
Yeah.
So, me tell you, and me I do my thing, and my auntie hear me, that the Aunt Sissy now, she a nurse. So she said, but she sing on the choir.
Yes.
And her husband is the deacon, and he play the violin and piano. So, choir. Now, I've been here down, when we grow up, every Sunday, you have to have devotion. Say everything. Every Sunday. Good. And you have to read a verse from the Bible. Yeah. And you have to sing a hymn.
Yeah.
Alternate prayer. Yeah, so your time to pray.
Yeah, for pray.
For pray loud, you know. So we give thanks to them time because
A good training, good training.
but at that kind of life that we live, people would some people find it hard to believe that.
Yes.
That's how I was brought up. Bathroom. From Aunt Sissy fine is just choir, church, school.
Funeral.
Yeah, funeral.
Father Tony, when did you realize that there was some music inside of you, sir?
From your sense.
Trying to have sense. I went that.
Yeah. You can't tell you understand where I little bit.
Yeah.
You don't know where I go on.
Yeah, man.
From them time, from a really small, I realized I couldn't sing and thing. You know, I can remember hearing Junior talk on the radio.
Yeah.
I mean, I said, but we can't do that, you know.
Yeah, Junior Tucker. Yeah?
But you know, no. Me the country. No opportunity. Plus me the dark.
Yeah.
You
Define dark for me.
Yeah, people say shy.
Shy, yeah.
But me the dark man, well dark and things. So it's like nobody. Me not sing for nobody. Me just sing for myself. I know some can sing. But I did a post the other day on Instagram and some of the comments were like, I remember one of the comments was, the person can remember me singing. You know, I watch and I sing on them. So me can't remember that.
That's a porous days.
Yeah, porous days. You know, so I realized I could sing from then. The whole thing started now when I come at town. You know, when I come at town, after I left, I went to London.
Yes.
I mean, I was just sing still, but I don't know. My classmate, them form a group. And they wanted me to come in a group, because they always hear me sing. I said, I can't go to that group because pure reggae them singing.
Yeah.
Pure reggae.
So you're the Jamaican, what you have against reggae, sir?
No, I love soul music.
Soul thing there.
No, I'm small and grown. I play soul music I hear on radio.
Yes. So that you grew up on.
Yeah, man. I love that music. I said, I can't, got pure reggae them though. But them start rehearsal and them start writing them through and I'm dead and I said, you must have to join that group there.
Yeah.
Next thing, a boss and me get left.
Yeah.
So I decided I'm going to join the group. And me join the group and we start singing, we start going about and studio, go downtown, High Times record, we hang out more time. And there's always people like Mota, Baroque and China Smith and in them days. And they have a brethren, I don't remember his name, I think them call him Patchy. Him say I'm a manager and thing, you know?
Yes.
So him start carry go studio, him start show the ropes and thing. One night him carry go club. One night him carry go club. After we left school, you know, we check him downtown and you know.
You were still at Dunoon at the time.
Yeah man,
yeah.
Him carry go club and we're going at the club. The girl them start dance. See the girl them start dancing.
So you didn't have a uniform, bro?
No, we not uniform. So the girl them start make noise and say them not dance cause school boy.
Yeah.
We have to cut, man. We have to cut, you know. Yeah, so that's where it all started. I mean, devotion. You had class conduct devotions sometimes.
Yeah.
So
still going at school.
So
yeah.
our farm was conducting devotion. The man in there, and me was to sing. Me didn't sing, the man.
You remember what you sing? Nah, remember. Alright, that's good, man. That's good.
You know, so when we done sing, man, the place is rough.
Mash up.
Auditorium, man, and feel good, man, and thing. And then I think there was a barbecue at school. And we perform at the barbecue because everybody else can sing and thing. We perform at the barbecue. The Monday morning when we go to school, you know. I said, girl, I run.
You thought start, Tony.
I say, I hit
this. Yeah.
Yeah, I say, I hit that, man. And I said, it all started.
What was the name of your group? At
Principals.
Principals.
Yeah, you have principal. You have one of them named Van, one of them named Gregory, one of them named Dane, plus me.
Yes.
Me and Dane right now, we like brothers.
Still close.
Yeah, we are brothers. Me and the other brethren then we still.
Yeah, so anybody else pursue the music out of the group?
Out of the group, no.
No, I just you alone.
Just me alone.
Oh, okay, alright, yeah. But then how did that now lead to the evolution of you?
One of the youth was the lead singer. His name Van Miller.
Yes.
He was from England too.
Okay.
He was from England and come to Jamaica. We meet him at Dunoon and thing. And he was the lead singer and he loved singing. He not do no classwork. I just sing. Sing and thing.
Yeah.
So it happened that he never did graduate. Got him sent back to England.
Okay.
So when I leave him, I said, boy, I'm going to leave him, but you know, for work, I said, God, you know, send me the group. Up to today, I never see him again.
Yeah?
Never see him again.
Yeah.
So I don't know if he continue music or not. But I just never see him from him again.
Yes.
You know?
So then now, how did your experience at Dunoon lead now to an evolution where you had a desire to pursue music, probably on a professional level?
Like I said, I decide from there to say, boy, this one.
Yes.
But after I left school now, there was no opportunities for life to get into the music. I don't know the contacts.
Yes.
What to do. So I did it on, I say, I really want to turn soldier.
Okay, cool.
A soldier I want to turn and thing. I'm there and nothing I go on, afraid to go do the test and all them things. And then we used to have a bridge in the area. Because before the bridging, me sometimes I watch interviews and listen and read and you see how some people get discovered. Like people might hear them sing and all that.
Yes.
So, I'm not top sing. You understand? That's so me have which part of my room, you know, the window you can look out on the room. So me always look to see somebody that pass. Because when anybody that pass, me ever see. You understand? So me that's one. People always look.
Yes.
But there was nobody who said, boy, them have help. But you know, I'm a bridge now, around the road named Eglan.
Eglan.
Yeah. He used to promote them little concert
Yes.
and them little thing now. So I start singing for them little thing.
Okay.
Yeah, Eglan Falls.
Yes.
Yeah, we start singing for them little thing them and stuff. You know, and there's some really kind of get for like it and say, yeah, this is what I really want. How it really start out on a level now is when we go to the tasty thing.
That was about 86 them time.
86.
All right, all it there so.
Yeah.
Father Brian. the choir, the barbecue them, the funeral them. You had early musical practice really versus Brian.
Yes.
Brian probably started later in the music than you still. But no, Tony started. Tony started a little bit later.
No
than
training
you.
whatsoever.
Right, no training. But you know would have received some musical grooming from church and so on still.
Yes.
So how now or when did you realize that this is something that you then want to pursue outside of the church funeral settings?
Alright. You used to have a brethren up in a Nannyville named Tommy Ricketts.
Mm-hmm.
We have a band. And I remember who they tell me about him, but we go up there because I want to sing. No, I can't sing it.
Yeah.
I want to go.
You're a big funeral singer, man.
Alright. So I want to come learn the street side of it
Yes.
now, you know. Alright, so I go up there and audition me and thing and pass the audition and tell me say, I make me camp on some show. Them time the Courtly Hotel used to be about pass through Courtly Hotel and I sing and thing go on good.
Yeah.
There was a female amongst Tommy Ricketts at the time named Diana King.
Yeah?
Sing.
You mean the Diana
real
King?
Songbird, real songbird. I think I she even know about him.
Yeah.
We are doing thing, and we hear about a talent contest, tasting talent contest. See, yeah? Or the audition, but I'm saying after our retirement road.
At the TS's headquarters, near TS's headquarters.
I don't remember if I just say we go to the audition, but we go at the audition. Diana King be at the audition. Or she's supposed to.
Yeah.
Anyways, I do my audition. Diana do her audition. Yeah man, she do her audition and get through, everybody get through for come go at the competition.
Yes.
So, but when we reach at the competition, we don't see Diana. Bad tune she ever sing to me. She ever sing what a tune there was Stevie Wonder and Elton John and That's What Friends Are For.
Yes.
That she never sing with a big tune she never sing. But for some reason she never come. Man, give thanks. Thanks, God.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could dip on the TST competition now and before we even reach this, I have to tell you about I tell you said the woman then play a vital role in my life.
Yes.
Alright. We did have some neighbors. So Miss Watson had two daughters, Sherry and Andre. Me live next door. We live at number 7, then we live at number 5. Once you can't find Brian is eat, sleep,
Yeah.
routine.
Yeah, that's all.
But me live.
A 7.
Yeah. Anyways, real, as some call her real. She knows me can sing. And she rate me as a singer, girl. Plus, me like her best friend.
Yes.
And I'm a sister that. Seeing both she and her little sister Andre. Anyway, she said to me, you know, say you have a youth on the road named Tony, but can sing, Brian.
Yeah.
No mind sharp, him can sing better than you, know.
Yeah.
Yes. What really say? No one hear him. Carry me go round there. Hear the boy I sing them time they must sing on. Silly of me.
See you register.
So what, you know him before it tasted? Okay. Alright, yeah.
Big tune in my and Dennis Williams that you know.
Yeah.
And like him say, a pure soul music I play on the radio. Alright. Them time you know in my mind tune on me I plan for draw.
You are the words. No, I lie, that's true.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Before that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Love always finds a way with the darkest night, and it always, love always finds a. But the crowd at tasty never know nothing with that.
We can't touch.
Yeah, but you can't come in, man.
Because me used to go all of the tasting time. Me always in the audience.
Oh, before you enter.
Before me enter.
Okay.
I was in the crowd. Every time tasting I keep, I feel dead. So enough time I did and crowd park. I look at eruption and I say crowd. But then with all that girl.
Well, me know me can't go in a car to a church.
Church. Yeah.
But with that girl one time on the crowd, you don't know what happened on the crowd after this person. I reach Crossroad, my girl said, run for our shoes. But me that taste it from him time.
Yes.
Just a watch. Me always say, no, it was after that. I say, yo, that really look, I mean, no, me can, you understand? Do well for a competition. I never say win, but I know I could
can do well,
for
yes.
a competition. I mean, in the crowd one day, you know, whenever I have a competition, them time, you know, I used to see my vineyard town. But whenever I wasn't bridging, I know.
Yes.
You just, I hear a man, so you pause and
I hear him, yeah.
kind of thing there. So me there taste, you know, I'm in the crowd and I look. And you want me to come by and stay and say, I'm I mean, I lie, it's not because I'm a bona fide.
Yes.
On the night there, it was the best singer on the night. But to me, the song, it wasn't a popular song.
Yes. People
So
don't really know it. And they get a forward.
But me, I tell you the truth. I say, right, you can sing. You understand? So, you can continue because me, because me have my taste to
Keep that.
You understand?
Keep that. So that night, you know, go out tasting. Like me, I tell you about sharing. Me not really have no only pack clothes for wear go at this tasting time.
Yes.
You know. But before, we got work out for them time. Yeah, man.
No.
No.
You probably don't work, but me never work.
True. Them time there, me that work at a place named Hoofa. They used to make pantyhose. Tell us a woman play a vital role.
Rolling on your teeth.
And our job
Yes.
is to put in the gossip.
Yes.
I don't really explain to you what gossip is, and I don't even go to work. But anyways, you learn to put in the gossip till you can master that. And of course, enough women working at the factory.
Yeah.
Enough women. And one and two of them know so we can sing and thing. And we did end up meet goal, I think, must after the first time I enter, thing, you know, because I end up making goal. Tell goal about the work.
I cut in again. It's like after Brian, Mr. Brian on the stage.
Yeah.
It's after that, I see him and I say, yo, I'm going to ask you what point if you enter the competition. So I go ask him and he say, yeah, man, you can't enter, man. They have audition, so and so. And he look back and he tell me, say, I go back in and come in. No, I can't win.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, he say that, man. He say, I go back in and come in. No, I can't win, you know. See, and then, me eventually end up at Wofa.
Yes. Oh, so you make pantyhose
Yeah,
too.
in my soul, I met them. So it's that we end up at the same place I work. And then because of that now, that's how we develop this.
A little energy there, synergy there, a little bond.
Because by this time, I think we didn't enter already, you know.
The first time.
You never did enter yet?
No,
the second time?
No.
With Reggae music?
No, when we did.
Okay.
But hold on, before you go further, the time when you're in the crowd, I listen, Brian on stage, you did place?
No.
You never place?
No,
Okay.
Could I get a chance?
Yes, again.
But the first time I do.
You make him tell himself that I have to win.
Yeah, man, it did really disturb me. Because no say that I said, no, I can't sing it. No, I sound great, but that time, I never know the power of the right song.
Yes.
Yeah.
That I never know.
go back to the drawing board and goal. It's so so we have an ex-brethren now named Donovan Wint. Could I sing to my brother? He used to sing like the stylistics. Bitter. And Bitter plan for enter too. Bitter did enter. Yes, Bitter.
So, yeah,
yes.
Enter.
And Bitter come forth.
Yeah.
Yes, he never placed in the top three.
But when Brian enter now, after him never plays and him enter again, I mean, did ask him how.
Yes.
And him say, boy, him tell me figure about entering, and him tell me say he might go back because he know he can win. So the next audition now, we book up this one the audition.
Yeah.
So him say he might go back, and me did have got me want to go to audition like I want to enter the competition. So that day, you know, it's like. It was a bad day for me because my father always send me go down to college grocery.
Yeah.
So the day when them have tasted, I mean supposed to go to audition now. My father sent me downtown and I said, Jesus, I can't make it. You understand? But me did make it and we come back at the audition and make it to the audition. Mr. Brian came to the audition already. And I sit down outside and the link man say, yeah man, just go in this one and blah blah blah. Go in there, get the number. You have to get a number, get my number, and then my time for audition now. The room had two, them part of the room. So you have one set of people who was audition.
Oh.
So when my time to sing now, I walk my mouth and start singing. Love has played this game on me so long, starting to believe. That tune I sing 1 million. I see everybody from over there, so room, come on, you understand? So right there, so I know, say,
You're ready.
so ready.
Yeah. Something I go on.
And then, you know, we get called and then we enter the competition and thing. And with the competition now, is like the rehearsal was the same. I don't remember how much people did enter. But it was a lot of people, so them split the rehearsal. Like, some come today. Some come tomorrow, and the third day, everybody rehearse that the third day. So, him the rehearse on the first day, me go up on the second day. So when me there, I don't miss, and me there, I watch, if you see the competition, how them do. When I see everybody rehearse and things, me I win that one. Nobody there, so.
Bad like that.
Yeah. And Herbie.
Yeah,
Herbie will play keyboard.
Yes.
Herbie hearing me say so, and Herbie say, you want to see how you talk about yesterday? Yeah man, you say.
Pick up yourself, Herbie.
So the third day now, when everybody there now, and rehearse and thing, and I never tell a line. When I see Brian perform, I say, you know,
I start think twice.
I say, you know, I win and me I'll come second.
Yeah.
I say, because him sing a tune where it have two registers. High and low, you understand? And him sing both parts. It was a very good competition song. And thing, and him, it play with that, we do the competition now, and me going like about third, and you have a whole heap of competitors, you know, man. I'm going early, I say, but by then time, let the competition.
Nobody don't remember you again.
You understand? So me go and me sing my 1 million and thing. Wicked. And Brian do film tune, and then the man was the winner them. 4th place. And 4th place now my heart start beat. From this one my heart start beat.
Yeah.
And then I go 3rd place. And my heart beat, see how I come to hear my name. See? When I hear my name for the 3rd place, I know so I feel at the top too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't lose. And then them call my name and I was great.
Yeah.
And then them call my name as the 2nd place, I would go and then collect my thing. I already get 1 year supply of party.
Yeah, man.
I think we get $250.
Yeah.
1 year supply. No, I think I
Alright, the winner get the 1 year supply.
But it, then
Yeah.
1 year.
The 1 year, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get $250. See, and then it's like when Brian go up and collect, when him announce the winner now and him go up, me and Brian never sing yet, you know. Me and Brian never sing yet. And them call up the winner, I know the winner have to perform the winner.
Yes.
Song. So when Brian starts singing, through me I always hear them sing up on radio and thing. Me and Brian starts singing, we just there at the side seat and I say, yo, give me a mic. And I take the mic and I start singing.
You harmonize it.
Yeah. And it was like this.
True, man.
It was
Destiny.
perfect, and I said, we never seen yet for the
Yeah.
man, you know, and the things lock. And then after that now, Brian go out in ways, and him and Bitter was brethren.
Yeah, before we got Bitter and Ways,
Yeah.
the winning tune and the harmony, sir.
Alright, well, here the tasty thing did go on. Yeah, it's like every month them have a competition. And at the end of the year, them put all the winners, whether first and second, I think at the top three, them put
Yes.
all of them together at this in December.
Oh, okay.
So we did win the October leg, we win the last leg before
The final.
Final, December leg there.
So when we win that night there, and my uncle, white suit, my uncle Pop's white jacket, my barrel,
Best dress.
and Gary white pants.
Yeah.
Cousin Gary white, big up yourself Gary. Gary white pants and black shirt. We use a kerchief and use a lace and tie on it. So it's like a bow tie. So me clean. Yeah. And we win best dress.
Yeah.
Got a semi-final.
Yeah.
Grand final now. I see him song you go sing, you know. It's a all of the winner them know top three. And my brother, my Baraback, the white, my uncle Pops, white jacket and gear, white pants. He'd have a virgin on the road, he'd have a blue shoes. Cheryl borrow for her mother JPS money to buy the shoes, you know, because she tell herself so she win me a win. So she
Get back the money.
Laddie, bless up yourself, a laddie shoes, the blue shoes. So me have on a white suit,
And blue.
virgin make a blue cummerbund and a blue bow tie. Yes, Pablo.
That picture they available?
Yeah, man.
They go look for. Yeah, man.
My brother, so me have my white suit, my blue shoes, my blue cummerbund and my blue bow tie. And I win best dress.
Good.
I win best stage performer. And I win the top prize.
Yes.
So I win the 3 top prizes for the competition. I think I'm the only one who has ever done that.
Yeah.
See?
Congratulations, sir.
So we give thanks, but
Yeah,
you
well.
see Cheryl, my neighbor them play a big role in the thing.
Give thanks.
Yeah, if Miss Watts no see our GPS money,
Problem.
at least.
Yeah. The song where you sing to win.
You are the words, you are the music, you're the song that plays over and over again in my head. You are the words, you are the music, you're the tune that I dream of and sing every morning in bed.
Yo.
I can count the ways you've brought me happiness. You've shown me what no other love has shown. And oh, and if you know, we're not going.
Marty.
Number one, so the name man from Gleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you give me a great write-up.
Yes.
But here why me couldn't do no better neither. Because I said right over me, because I have a real judge, I have a real journalist.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Real analyze now and professional.
Yes, with voting
It's a
thing.
voting thing now, me can have a brethren who have money in and
And
vote.
just buy some phone card.
Yeah. But them time now real judges. You understand? So the crowd plus the
judges.
plays a great part, you know?
As it should be.
Yes. So in the write-up now, when we see the write-up, I think it was how had me going our ball for that? Which one of them did the write-up? Them say, Patrick Morrison sounded just like the record.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what we saw just so much. Why is it good at it?
Yeah, you could have done
Yeah,
yes.
it's so
If it's
good.
so like a record, you can't.
You understand? And like me said, me did pretty good for
Buy me
him.
that one life.
You might go in.
Yeah.
We have a next youth they will do a tune named Plaza Disaster.
Yes.
Premier Plaza
Yeah.
did have the
Blue,
accident at the
Ah,
time. And they do a tune
Plaza
about
Disaster.
LSF. The youth them man. I'm up there in the team.
But even with the TSC thing and with Cheryl and in them times when him said, Cheryl used to tell him, say, you have a youth. Cheryl don't tell me the same thing.
See, have you? Oh, okay.
You
Yeah.
understand? And I said, no, nobody friend of Vineyard Town.
Can't sing like that.
Yeah, man, but When I discovered I was Brian. You know?
Yes.
And we get to realize that, yeah, like you can see.
Yes.
You know?
So the night at the Tasties final door, something clicked there, so because you said you never sing with Brian before, and him go on stage and you just take the mic and start harmonizing, and it sound like you rehearse.
Yeah.
Hear it.
Yes.
It sounded like a rehearse. So after the whole competition now, after Tasty done and thing, him and Bitter start par.
Yes.
So everywhere them there, the two of them barbecue, cancer everywhere, just him and Bitter par and thing. I'm just there, I wait for the break, same way, you understand?
Yeah.
I still sing with people.
True with that.
Nothing now go on and thing. I see a little concert. One day now, me there walk. See? Because our tasty now is them always invite the winner.
The Monday winners them, yes.
No, the finalists.
Okay.
The winner from the finals. Next year them always invite them
to come perform.
Yes.
Makes sense.
So apparently them invite Brian to come sing. So me the one day and come check me. When him come check me now, Bitter never like me neither, I don't know why. Bitter was me can't see everything. So anyway, him come check me and him say him get invited to come perform as a guest and him like to come perform with him. So me I say, but I want to Bitter, you understand?
Yes.
Bitter and I say, no man, you have the sound. You understand? You have the song and thing, and then I will talk and I say, alright, well, me come do it. So we go rehearse. Them time Mikey Bennett them a play now.
Great Mikey Bennett.
And them a play. So we go audition and thing, and then Bagger Case was the lead singer for Home Tea at the time. He was one of the judges. He was one of the judges. So MC Brian and Bitter, you understand, I sing about the place and I look at Bitter and say, what did I do there? Him have the sound, man. So I saw me realize I saw Brian. Come check me, because Bagger Case is great. Bagger Case and me have the song. Right? And him listen to Bagger, you understand, so come check me now. So we started out as a sing together. We got Tasty, mash up the show. You understand? We sang with like, what's your name and then through there. You understand? Mash up the place, man. And I've saw the whole Brian and Tony thing.
Yeah, speaking about the Brian and Tony, because it is Brian Derrick Thompson and Patrick and Tony Morrison. But the world known now as Brian and Tony Gold. All that Brian and Tony. Well, me understand the Brian part still, but so all that's something they come about.
Yeah, because TST, and the second place goes to Patrick Morrison. And that's Patrick Morrison thing. But after me and Brian will come and start singing now. We realize, we realize, boy, we find a thing. We find a thing now. So we start singing, we start back up, Home Tea them and stuff like that. And we start do our own thing now. We start sing together now, open the show them and all that because something like. So we decided, so we'll continue as a duo.
Yeah.
So, but you can't have Brian Thompson, Patrick Morrison. You understand?
That's too long out somewhere.
You have to have a stage name. Him name Brian already. Me name Patrick Morrison, but Anthony, the middle name.
A Tony.
You understand? So we are look name now and Patrick and Brian, Brian and Patrick, all kind of still come with. See, and then when we came up with Brian and Tony, it sounded good and we said, we want something. You understand? It's still short or something, and we said goal, and the goal was click. So the goal is for real, the golden voices.
Indeed.
Yeah, the goal is for the true voices.
No,
Yeah,
man, come out with big name.
Yeah, so that's how I come up with Brian
and Tony Gold. And it clicked, it worked. It worked.
Yeah,
Legendary.
Yeah, man, everybody.
No, and I think.
Everybody checks with surname and goal.
And think with our brother.
Things are biological, you understand?
Many things are one time too.
Yeah. Just musical.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
So now the duo was official.
Yeah, man.
Name and everything.
Yeah, man.
How did that now progress musically?
School we have to go now.
School.
Mikey Bennett.
Yeah. Great
School
man.
play a big role in our life.
Yes.
Yeah, trust me. Now Mikey
no matter how well you think you can sing, if you really can't sing, Mike, you're gonna make it up. So my youth, I'm
Yeah,
gonna sell some shoes.
Yeah.
Him very straight. With
Yes.
Yes, we brother. And if him say you can sing, him about push you to the max.
Yeah, so Mikey is a man who will tell us straight up.
Yes, whether you can sing or whether you can't sing. Now, Mikey always have genius rolling. Whether you play keyboard, guitar, drum, flute, whatever you do, from Mikey have you rolling, he's a genius. See me, brother? Alright. We have a keyboard player around him named Leroy Romance. And another piano player around him named Sheldon Bernard.
Sheldon was before the era.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Sheldon did the first. Yes. Now, when you check Mikey just always have music I play and him just test your brain. Say, sing something for this. You know, and him put on, press tape on the record. And then time me a cassette. You just a sing, you don't really know, you just a sing whatever come to your brain, rhythm and run. And you do that for about a good 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes.
But
Yeah.
before we started at school, me and Brian used to work at WOFA.
Yes. Still out of the Pantyhose thing.
Yeah. Remember them time me and Brian had the
Pantyhose thing, yeah.
Yeah, so
that continued after Tasties.
yeah, man.
Oh,
Because,
okay.
because Brian never been out and him live around the road from me. And what happened now, how we develop a song and I was like, we always a sing. We just always find ourselves a sing. We walk to work, because we walk from Vineyard Town go to South Camp Road. We get your bus, get the 15, go. You understand?
We used to chat a morning time.
Yeah.
So you see, every time we together, we always a sing. We are walk, we are sing, we anything at all, we just a sing. And we don't get no teaching like we sing. Me never get no teaching how we
Yes.
sing. But when we listen to the radio more time, and me always a sing certain notes and things. So me and Brian, we just learn to sing harmonies and everything. When we go to work, I work for when we get break, lunchtime, we are singing. You understand? So the girl them now get to hear we are sing all the time and everybody loving at the place. So we develop the sound too, you know. That help with big time we develop.
OFAB was important.
Yeah man,
Yes.
yeah man. And so now the whole when the Mikey thing now and you know it started grooming more than time you know,
And then time the home T4
Yeah.
was with
Your mentor, yeah.
Yes.
Diego
Baba
Tucker.
Keys, Diego,
Yeah.
you know, Mikey.
Or the other brethren
Tony
who
DSC.
live at Vineyard Town, they did have another member. Who used
That's
to
Leroy.
live- Yes, man.
Palmer, yeah. And things. So, and them time, you know, Mikey I work at Jammys.
Greatness again that you know.
So,
What
the Jammys experience now to it that through when that through start in a music now, but we still I work at Wolfab, you know. So we start with Jammys and thing. Mikey I work at Jammys and thing. And it's like, Mikey look my way. Mikey look my way and say, I don't want to do this, or if I don't want to do this, I don't have to.
You love the Pantyhose.
And I said, no, but we don't get the money out of music business.
Yeah.
You understand? And we are the Pantyhose, we are the liquor.
Yeah. Can put food on the table still.
No,
And move around. You can move around.
It just keep you out of
Certain
certain
things.
things. You know, but never get no money like that. You understand? But it still puts up and keep you out of certain things. So we
Yes.
go work and thing. And Mike said, if you don't want to go into music and take it music serious, you have to give up that and focus on music. And I said, boy, I don't know if you can do that. I get money from and all them things.
Yeah.
You understand? And it don't take me long. It take me like about 2 weeks. Look on Brian Gold and Best. Say, Brian Gold is in a life still. I have to take chances.
True.
You understand? So if I this one though, we have to just, and so now we just going like full force at us music. So then we start with the jammies now and think I might work at jammies. So we are go down there daytime now. Cause them time 2 friends don't come out yet. So we are go down there daytime now. Which part, if you know Jammies Road, the studio, and they have the sidewalk. Yeah? The road, the next sidewalk. So when we got Jammies now, we have to stay over the sidewalk. We can't come to the
You can't go by the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to pay, we have to stay out the sun You can't just come and say, yeah, come and studio Reggae and things. So we over the sidewalk and we did it.
Even though Mikey work over there?
Even though Mikey work there. You understand? And we sit up gate man.
Gate man, no one yet.
You understand? And we did this with a wire. See, and then we could have crossed road and up on that side. You know? I step up.
Yeah, man, move it.
Yeah, so we go over this and we dip on the sidewalk. You know, we did it for a little while. And yeah, we look at hairdressing parlor right there. So. Yeah, with some girl, Marcia, them and them thing. But you have a gate now for go, which was the parlor there. So we couldn't go through the gate yet.
Bravo.
You know, yeah, so, but when the girl them pass, them that heel way up and stuff like that. Until we graduate from this, so I go through that gate.
Everywhere we are singing.
Yeah.
Oh, the sellers?
So we graduate and go, which was the parlor, you know. You have a next gate to go in the studio yard. So we're going to stay right some mingle with the girls.
Yeah,
You understand? And then we graduate from this and go to the big gate. You understand? Because everybody realized we can sing. You know,
Yes.
that was one of the things. We propel so fast. Because I never take long for graduate from this up to this and then go through that big gate there. Go through the big gate now in the yard. You understand? In the yard now, and it's a vibe still, because just to get in the yard, you feel good.
Yeah, man.
And when you do this, you see people like Ken Buddha come through and I said, bro, but Ken Buddha. The man you hear and radio, you understand from me, I look at him and say, yo, Ken Buddha, it was a joy. Just to see the man and thing. There so, in the yard for a little bit, then we go around this one again, the next gate again. You understand? And we did this one, a little studio right there so. But we can't go in the studio yet. We still have to just do this one and we'll have vibes until eventually end up in the studio. Because like I said, I realize that we can sing. So it never really take long. You understand? And even though Mikey did that, we still have a way because Mikey will have to come out to it.
Yes.
Go back and everything. So we start record now. The first tune was Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Before
So what, did you record before getting Bullseye? What was the first track on actually record?
You Got the Love. You remember that brother the name Dwight in the name what we do a song for? We do a song with a brother named Dwight. You got the love I want.
Yeah.
You got the love. I think it was even just a start of that label.
Okay.
I don't remember the label name.
How well did that song do?
No, it never.
Never do.
So, him same one will do Little Ebony Eyes one.
Maybe.
Sweet.
Maybe, I'm not so sure we did do that for. But you see, You Got the Love now. When you listen to the tune now, when you reach out there, you can't race and go and race.
Yeah, man.
It was a learning thing.
Yes.
Like it was a young producer I learned.
So everybody I learned.
Yeah, it was the first.
But at Jammy's, background vocals will start.
That on the start out with. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So was there any record that did well that you guys were background vocals and before you actually got your break?
That might be possible, you know, but
Yeah. I can't remember Carpenter. I don't know if we did boss or not at the time. If I were a carpenter. John Walt.
I want to. Yeah.
yes.
So that was before Bullseye.
I'm trying to remember.
Okay.
But
Big song that the brother told. Yeah.
you're the singer now where stand out in my mind now at Jammy's. Johnny Asburn.
Johnny Asburn.
Them time they a Johnny Asburn run special.
Yeah.
Yes.
Them time they a Johnny Asburn run special. No singer.
Yeah.
See my brother? And Johnny Asburn can sing.
And like I said, we recorded some songs. How much songs before Bullseye I can't record?
So it took a while to get that song.
Yeah, man. We go through the roads.
Yeah. Then
So don't never get frustrated and I say, yo, no money now make.
Never take long.
Never take long. Okay.
No.
No, man.
Never take long.
I'm sure we had the background vocals to run a Jammy's.
On the still a calico thing.
Yeah.
Because if you ask me, I think Bullseye came out in 87.
Yes.
That a 1 year after the taste this thing there. Yeah, I never take long for true. Never take long for true. Yeah.
And thing so when you record Bullseye and one thing and we are tour with Home Team, like
Yes.
we show them, you know, we are open the show them and all this something. Because whenever boss even though we are Bullseye, we're not bossing nobody know. Bullseye a hit tune, you know.
Yeah.
See, with this girl go woof up.
Yeah, man.
So me, we dip on bus now and take bus, you know. And see us stand up, I think we see it. We'll have for real, someone, you know.
Yeah, true for the radio.
And your bones are beat man bus, because I know them time they play in a bus. You think we can look at them and say, yo,
You're my true.
we have to just bust a little smile, you understand? And just humble yourself, because I know, say,
The journey continues.
Yeah, man.
Me, the vineyard town here.
Bullseye. Radio.
Our Ebony.
Ebony
Nice.
is the time before Bullseye.
Yeah.
Sweet little lip. What that? So one cut and go on there. 21. Yo!
Sound the parade.
But to this day, my brother, had the same effect.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
When I hear that
I
song.
see myself on the TV.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
After so much accomplishment, Brian?
Yeah, man.
Always a joy.
Jaja. Because music in a way, it's not
Yeah.
like, you understand?
You know, see, me can't keep still from there. Just a fair move.
And like I said, never take long. And so when we're in the yard now, because we still in the yard, you know, we still can't.
Toe.
Yeah.
Even though we have it true, we have it all by ourselves. Because we're nobody.
Yes.
We're not nobody.
Still a look it.
Yeah, still a look
Grades that come through the yard.
Yes.
Grades.
Yeah, man.
Grades.
And if you
Devil
humble
said, no, come tell them about Kapanga.
Yeah.
And the great Shabarams.
So,
in the yard too, you know.
I think when we bust, was a show about 4 times. You know that show then?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Because we are open
Clear,
for one
clear,
thing.
clear,
Yes.
So, then we have a show of 4 times. So when them call and open, we run on as the opener. And them time we are saying Mrs. Jones. That tune there was the signature tune. So, yeah, man, you see when we drum Mrs. Jones. Yeah, man.
Chaos, you know.
Fort Clarence smash
Yeah,
up.
man, place turn upside down. So all we know so we bust now is after that now we hear talking and go around. Nobody not really know it, them don't know our name and say.
But them know the song.
Them 2 youth there. So them use the style that. Yo, you see them 2 youth there, so them 2 youth there, come on. Yeah, man, I saw the words start go around now, the 2 youth them mash up.
That was the first day between
Yeah, man.
them two.
Yeah, man. And that's how we bust.
Yes.
And that's how people start.
Yes.
You understand?
That Fort Clarence.
So the first song we actually saw get some traction in the street was Bullseye.
Bullseye, yeah.
Yeah, man, give me peace right now, man.
So I wasn't expecting this. Teach them comfort, teach them today. From out of the blues it stole my heart.
You two came and shot your bow. Now every day I'm praying. Every day I'm praying we'll never part. Bullseye, you hit me
Right between the eye with your sweet love. What a shot, I'll never get enough. Teach them you hit me right between the eye with your sweet show.
Yes.
What a shot, we never got enough.
You know, me just sit there, yes, I laugh. You realize I'm a part of something special, right? That's right, give thanks.
Yeah,
so Bullseye, hit the bullseye.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Bullseye.
Basically.
Bullseye.
Yes. So what did that song do for you guys now, though?
Yeah, man. It
It
do
teach
great.
me enough things. I mean, you know about the special world.
Yeah.
Cause then time the dance sound a big
Yeah,
something.
man. Yeah, man. But I don't even that. I don't even that. When Bullseye are playing on them time they stone up their tropics. In Kingston and thing. When our two guys dance them, frequently dance them like that. We go every now and again and thing. So one day some you come around my place and say, yo, we got stone up night I'm here and beat that tune. The man is like beat like that. Said about 7 times a morning we look at you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we get you see the next stone up now, me half it there. Me guys stone up, I know me. I know me not get them play.
They play it out the previous dance song.
And I say, what the man himself tune a play so.
Yeah.
After that now, yeah man, you know
Regular.
what's going on, yeah man. Tune run over.
What was the next song that The mass accepted after Bullseye.
Alright, well,
There was so much songs.
Yeah.
yes, but the one where they really hold them. Yes, you know. Yes. Cause them time the Shabarangs. Never tune in. Don't give love to him, and if you don't say him about man.
Yeah.
The rhythm they know.
Yeah.
Mikey said to me, you know, said that rhythm here, when you forgot on that rhythm here, yeah, test on yourself and go up on the rhythm. Put one of them sweet songs there on the bad boy rhythm here.
Bobby Digital, may you so rest
Great
in
Bobby.
peace,
Yeah,
sir. Yeah,
man. At
man.
them time, the Bobby Digital engineer at Jammys.
But this wasn't first.
Yeah, just start.
You understand?
So, we get the rhythm
Yeah.
and goal.
Yeah. Cause them time I work for sing over to you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what the
So
fact?
we work at Wolfab and them always a play, music always a play, so we always hear them tune. So this tune fit on the rhythm. Sweet baby.
Sweet baby.
Oh, it's you, sweet baby. I don't wanna be free from your embrace, sweet baby. Only hoping it's not too late to try again.
Yeah, that tune that was the next tune.
Sweet baby. Yeah.
Play a foreign to one thing.
Yes,
You
New York.
understand?
Yeah, so what I put it in
Yeah,
Clinton, Lindsay,
Yeah, man. So you know,
Tamika Awards.
yeah, Tamika Awards now. It's another thing now because we don't have jammies now. Cause we are going on.
Yeah.
But I just home tea with them, so we now do our thing. So you have this Tamika Ready Awards and New York, Clinton Lindsay, and things. So one day we had the yard of jammies, and jammies send come call the two you them.
Yeah. Two you there.
You can't just go and
Yeah.
jammies.
Me interview all about people and them tell me the steps and the progress, but yeah.
So, I don't remember who, I don't remember if I use name Lippy or who, but somebody, Jamie sent somebody to come. And I'm like, I said, what? You understand? I'm going to Jamie's office and Jamie's tell us about home tea, I got foreign, them up on our shoulder, and thing. And I couldn't go with them. We don't fly. I couldn't go with them, and we just humble ourselves and just still like, you understand? Yeah, man, everything cool and thing. Yeah, so me and Brian come out and show this. You understand?
Happy.
Yeah. I come on and say, well, we have a foreign and thing. So we have a foreign, you know. So me tell everybody say me have a foreign. Yeah, man, everybody knows say me have a foreign. So people say we have a foreign, you have to get work permit.
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
So time come out to go work at embassy now, we got work permit, dress up and you understand, because you have to look proper. When me got the man them look on the thing and say, boy, my name not up on the petition. So them can't grant me no visa. Them never stamp my book, you know. But them just tell me say, my name not up on the petition. So I'm not eligible and thing. So me can't afford it. See, Brian can't, because Brian never get no visa neither.
Yeah.
None of we name never up on the petition. But he have a British passport.
So him can jump.
And he can fly that, you understand? So the man them carry Brian and
Left Tony.
left Tony.
I don't want man carry
I don't remember if I the first, I don't remember if I was 2 weeks or a week I'm going for. This is a period of time, no virgin. I don't know myself.
The last.
I say me last. I say everything on me and Brian.
Brian and Tony
Yes,
go.
Brian, everything.
Yes.
We have two girls, you understand? Sister.
Sister.
Yeah, right. That's how we use a flex and thing. And the man them got foreign and left me. And I tell everybody say me I got foreign. I say I don't know myself with that word. You understand? You see, up to this very day,
Yeah.
I don't tell nobody when I got foreign. I just fly out.
You don't score, yeah.
Man said, oh, you go where you never tell me. Come here, I'll go.
You don't want to go at that again. Yeah. What was that experience like for you though, Brian?
Shabarangs is supposed to go, but not sure that to me. Some reason Shabarangs.
And when after the show, now, when Brian come back, after them do the tour and come back, Brian come back and tell me how the whole thing one journalist and I said, Jesus mash me up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was a good experience for you though, Brian.
Yes, man. But when I hear anything now, we go on the show tonight and it was supposed to be home tea. I think Cocotti and Shabara. Which one of them she loved? And sang well.
Yes.
Big perform. Well, me no remember if Cocotti. No, the home tea there. No Shabaraks. And he turned to me and said, Brian, you have to go DJ.
But you're not singing, Brian.
Then that man said, I said, huh? Me have to go DJ. And him said, no, you man have to go DJ. I said, okay. And then put on a fur coat, a black and white fur coat. And them kind of thing it cold still. I remember my first time.
Yes.
So I don't know nothing about weather. So then put on a black and white fur coat and me song start. I tell you, say when Shabaran's time come, Brian, did one of them say love. One of them, yeah man, going like bun down the place.
Yeah?
Yeah, they don't flap at all.
Yeah, give thanks.
The power of the song.
The power of the song.
Shabaran's not a normal DJ.
True that. But you're all at that big voice, brother.
The schooling.
The schooling.
I tell you, say them man in the yard.
Yeah.
Shabaran's walk come through the yard, all eyes. First man, them see it, chaparita upon him ankle. And them pants, the ass, and the latest shoes, shirt, everything.
Sure.
Clean.
Yeah.
Clean, my brother. No other artist never step like the great Shabarans.
Yeah. So when was the first time you and Tony left Jamaica to perform?
If I'm not mistaken, I think it's the next Tamika Award.
Tamika Award again.
Yeah. Get to come redeem himself.
Get your visa this time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good experience at Tony.
Yeah, man, great. First time and love it, man. Everything nice.
Yes. Next big song.
Next big song.
Alright, after that now, them time that a thing named Apartheid did happen.
South Africa.
Yeah. We did young man come up, we don't really know everything about it, but we just know say something not go on when I
I
write.
think that was the next big song though.
Which one?
There's so much songs.
Yeah.
No, Mikey Bennett now start produce, him start draw some
Yes.
music out of him start get some
Start the
great
label now.
musician to come play some things now.
So he
Mikey
started his own
Fletcher.
label, Two Friends.
Two friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this was him alongside one of them brethren named Patrick Lindsay.
Shadow.
Shadow out of Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Great youth.
Them time they have Miles on them people. That remember
Yes.
Miles used to come over.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then like Shireen did about to but
No,
Not
Cherry never did about them.
never come. Alright.
No.
Them time the Chevelle
Yeah.
about Chevelle Franklin.
Chevelle.
Yeah, man. Chevelle Franklin and Grafton Road. Grafton, Vineyard Town, baby. That. Me tell her I said Brian said that. So in a Grafton Road now, this are the complex now, and Mikey has said for himself now, Grafton Road Studio. And
Two
we
friends.
Help build that, my brother. We can say that.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So Brian and Tony Gold did it, Mikey did it,
Yeah.
Chevelle Franklin did it, Prince Midas, Nigel Staff.
Nigel, rough cut. Yeah.
Pass through now and again.
Rick Rock.
Rick Rock.
Yeah, all of
A
them.
babe, heavyweight.
Peter.
Pete.
Peter.
Through Mikey Bennett. From your name call, from you feel like you're good at something,
But-
musically you're good.
Can't remember the string of it, but right there, so there was a string of hits.
Yes.
You know, songs like Sherry.
Sherry baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, maybe
Right.
and Poison.
Poison. Poison was with D Brown.
Dennis Brown.
Yeah, so them time you know in our career we will meet Dennis Brown because Mikey
Yeah.
Bennett used to
Right.
write songs for Dennis Brown. As somehow we are get brought into the writing
Yeah.
part of the thing now. I'm a teach with the business, you know. So we are get to meet Dennis Brown. Dennis Brown I come to studio. Mikey I sit down with him and write. Dennis I sing and Mikey we say, no man. Try this, Dennis. Alright, give me this, you know. If you want me, you gotta take me as I am. You know, give me away to Dennis. Alright. Brick by brick, we gonna tear those evil walls down. Yeah.
String of hits. String of
Just
hits.
me, man. Just me.
You understand? But
Yeah.
when we meet Dennis Brown now, we'll get a chance to record with Dennis Brown.
Legendary, Lee Brown.
Because we started the album, before we even reach us, we started the album with Jammies, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
We started the album with Jammies, you know.
Yes.
But during the Jammies, making the album with Jammies now,
Mikey stepped away
yeah,
and started him thing.
Yeah, but not only that, there was this company named Power Records.
Power.
Yeah, and they wanted us to sign. They want to sign with the Power. We don't know about sign. We don't know about them. We never hear about Power.
Yes. So who was guiding you at the time? Though Jammies or Mikey? Mikey.
Yeah. But we started the album with Jammies, and then the Power thing come in, and Mikey then want to sign to Power. It's an independent record and things. So it's that Jammies never plays. Can we step away from Jammies' album if we go deal with that? I mean, no, Jammies never plays. And the album wasn't complete. Our first album was a compilation of some songs.
From Jammies.
Where we did that with Jammies and then just compile and put it out.
What was that? Green Light? Bullseye. Oh, Bullseye was the first one.
Right.
Okay.
And then we signed the deal. Worst thing ever happened to me in my career, that was it.
Signing that deal.
Signing that deal.
How did that become the worst
Because when the deal was signed, them said them want to sign the deal and when we go in the office. There was an office of music works downstairs. And that's so we signed the deal. And I said, but me don't know about signing, me don't know about contract, me don't know about them something, but my mind I tell them, but we have to get maybe legal help or read over the contract or them kind of. None of that never go on. So me that know me I say, boy, I never really want to sign the contract. Because I say, I don't know this what I sign. You understand? And I know so them things they can get tied up in and thing. I never want to sign the contract. Even Mikey look at me and say, oh, you have gone so far, something you can get out of, you know. You understand? So me that know and then Brian do so. And Brian start signing the contract. So everything on me and Brian.
Yes. So you got signed too.
So everything on me and Brian. So when Brian signed, I said, so I sign the contract. Like I said to me, the worst thing about it because we start with that album, the Green Light, and then put it out. I don't even know if you know the album then.
We don't know half of the album.
No promotion, no nothing.
Yeah?
Nothing at all. You understand? So the album, it never really
Do nothing.
You understand? Even you have, I think that was, Kanye was on that album.
Kanye.
Poison was on that album.
But so each song them the Brian man.
Right.
And Tony.
So nothing ever going for the album. So I have friends and I said, well, we don't like that company now. See, we feel we left that company and eventually them say, we must start the second album. Now we start the second album, we start doing the demos. Every time we do a demo, we send it after them. And then excited and things. Then all of a sudden them I said them like the direction of where I'm going and all that stuff. He said, no sir, me no want the other company, because they're not doing for you. And thing and just so everything available broke loose right now.
You wanna do
We couldn't do nothing for nobody else at all.
Because you were
were
tied to Power.
Contract. So we couldn't so for a period of time there when nobody knew.
How long was the contract for?
I think it was 8 years.
8 years.
Like 5 album. Like I think it was like 5 album deal or something like that. It was one of the worst things, man. I tell you this, it was one of the worst things. You understand? And for that period of time there, we couldn't record for nobody.
So you know, enough other producers would have liked it.
Yeah. Right.
So
But we can't.
we have to, not
Right.
That's how the thing set up.
But we survived that time there. We used to do a lot of background vocals.
True that.
The
Background.
And at that,
keep it
people
thin.
surviving.
Out
and
of the
we
top
do
100 songs,
Yeah.
we work from about 96. Them time.
Yeah.
Just like us,
Everything,
Sting and
everybody, yeah,
Baby,
man.
out of the top 100, them we
Yeah,
work
man.
from 98.
Everybody.
We work from about 90.
One
And the
brand.
background vocals.
Background vocals. We did a lot of background vocals. You know,
Everybody.
Yeah, man. Everybody. Man put on song and I wait, man. You put on a foreign, man not touch them song till the brother until they come back. So that's how we used to work. Yeah, man.
Yes.
One thing, we do a lot of backgrounds.
So before you go any further though,
Yeah.
Tony, sorry for interrupting. So would you say that deal blighted
Yeah, man.
the career
big
of
time. Big
Brian
It was a
and Tony?
lesson for me.
Big time.
big
Big
place.
time.
Cause when we did ready,
Yeah,
you
that's
run
right.
out. Tell you one of the hell now we pop loose. Sly and Robbie used to call if you do enough of them back.
No, you used to. I feel, yeah.
A fool of that.
Chaka D was on Players album.
You don't let nobody.
Yeah, all of them tune there.
Yeah.
You don't let
I would take
nobody.
one day for do all of the harmony on the album. Except
Yes.
one song. You know, so on them time they are not Pro Tools, them time they have to sing the song all the way down. You understand? But a pair of them were we used to do one thing. So then, like him saying, Sly call me.
Yeah, man. We're going to do our work for Slide on Sonic songs.
Yeah.
And Slide say, no, some man to sing like a background himself.
Right.
On a tune.
Right. I'm mixing
You
that.
see, DJ never used to DJ with my harmony.
Right.
I really, Mikey Bennett as a producer
Start that something.
kind of start that, yeah. And we was happened to us be a part of it at the time because we the demo sings, you know. But in put on what DJ name again?
Red
Dragon.
Red Dragon.
Red Dragon.
Mm-hmm.
And then Red Dragon was a big artist them time.
Yes.
I think he did have Duck and them. Ready.
Yeah, man. Big driver. Me and Slow rest in
Put
peace.
on. Bum, compliments, girl, on your kiss. The number one girl on my list. And every time I think of you, I wish.
I wish that you could be my girl. I wanna take you around the world. Every time I think of you, I wish.
Alright.
So him saying one with the back, one with the background. But for all of that now, I say, but Sly, if we do that, it's a
Combination.
Yes.
and him say, yeah, him say no problem. You understand? We'll get a feature.
Remember now those we signed to Power Records.
Yeah. We signed the power, we're not supposed to have it for nobody.
But this has
But them time, you know, it's like we have to do something. And like
Count have to survive.
through that song, you know, was a combination. We said like we can't, it's a combination. Him agree, and we do the song. And
brother, this song Runway.
Hit man.
yeah, man.
Huge man. Man say it.
Yeah, man.
5 times we go to England.
Number 2 on the British national charts.
Yes.
Number 2 and a politics right now go number 1.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So you know say the song I make money.
Yes.
At the time that the song I sell.
Yeah.
So Brian and Tony go all beard you know.
Yeah, man.
But we signed to
Power.
Records. Well, Red Dragon Collect.
I
Yes.
reached that so yet.
Good.
When that tune come out, and the tune start play, slide them call and say, yo, I forgot England never do top of the pops. You never hear about top of the pops.
Great. The big top of the pops.
You never want it. That's like I say, boy, we have to go to top of the pops because the tune and we get how much spins a week. And I say, what? So anyway, we go to England and we do top of the pops. When we go to England, it's the same thing like when they tell me about Bullseye still. Me not hear this song like how Sly say which song I play. You understand?
Yeah.
And I say, oh, Sly, them say tune I play and thing. And we do top of the pops. And then we come back to Jamaica. When we come back to Jamaica, them send for me again. And the tune I climb. You see, this time we go to England, every half an hour I hear the tune. Every half an hour I hear the tune. I saw the tune a rotation. I said, why the tune big? And thing I think we come back to Jamaica and then we go back again because the tune reach way up in the charts. We go to top of the pops. You know, and so when the tune start climb now, the power now, them step in. God, I hear this big tune, you understand? And them I say, oh, go on. And then find out that who did the tune. The tune was, we do this tune and we slide and it's time to Island and put out the tune and thing. And them never done with Island, so them couldn't work out a deal where, you understand? So I saw the tune it start. You understand? And then like Brian said, now, the tune, like we say, go number 2 on the British charts. So you know, on them time the record has set.
So, I don't like I know.
It generates a whole heap of money. You understand?
Pounds.
Yeah, man, generate a whole heap of money. Where our money there? Ask me our money there.
So who get that money there? Power. Let me ask you now a question though, Brian. Because I sit down here and I'm puzzled.
Yeah.
Because at that time, Mikey Bennett would have had a feel of the business and know certain things run. So wouldn't it have been Mikey's responsibility to look out for him artists them and make sure that the deal with them are signed?
I would think so.
Don't enslave them like that.
I would think so.
If he didn't know at the time.
I would think so.
If him did know.
I would think so.
So you're suggesting that he did not know.
Yeah, they only that we can say, then why else me ever say that? So he didn't know and deliberately, you know. Me not really know him like that.
Yeah.
We have got not a penny from that record.
Compliments of your kiss.
Compliments on your kiss.
On your kiss.
Yeah.
My virgin.
Not even a dollar.
Not even a penny.
But my virgin.
Yeah. Rehearsal.
Afford to build a place.
The first check him collect, him buy property.
Yeah, he
And
was
start build.
good.
So him had a club on the back road name. Him name it Compliments too.
Compliments.
Yeah. Him just buy a place, build a club and name it Compliments. And him name it Compliments because he said that tune that give me money.
So that was the first.
It was complimentary for us to see. Yeah man, so like I said, that tune was complimentary for we. We don't care.
Just complimentary.
The company were collecting power, they were collecting from it. Because them say we owe them. Based on the old contracting and all that. So that's all that go, you know?
But after a while now we realize if we stay signed to this company, we're not going to carry the food.
So you take a but you don't realize that long time, right?
Yeah, you know, but you see true we are some peaceful kind of.
I wanna focus on the music.
Yeah. So we not rush that. War the last thing out of our mind.
Yeah.
But when you pre the thing and say, but them people are try stop my food, you know.
So we start fight to get out from this. We
So
start
besides
fight
so we're gonna pay her a visit.
to come out. You know?
For New York, come out that day. We go and reason with her and make sure know say I eat this thing. We're not gonna sing because we're not comfortable with us one heart. And she probably see and hear the passion in our thing and decide say. So
Okay.
I don't even think we had gotten a release.
yeah.
Official.
Yes.
See, I eat that thing.
So because of that, after that song, you know, one thing, and it's like we were out there on our own because forget all the contract is hard.
Yes.
So we kind of lose like a faith now in a graft. And
because we know that for dip and we own and try to get out of the contract.
Yeah.
So it was Mikey in all of this?
He probably that got through film thing, but we did I expect more.
Of a support.
Yeah.
We never get. But anyways, our journey.
Yeah.
See when we never brother. Our journey.
And then we start. Like I said, we don't have no record, and we don't have nothing. We not record again. We don't have nothing but Shadow. St. Patrick Lindsay. Him line up Japan Splash for it. You understand? Because we can see the live and them something. So him line up Japan Splash. And that's the first time me and Brian are going on, like, you understand?
Yes.
Tour of Japan and biggest money we ever collect. You understand?
First car we buy.
Yeah. And this was 1990. No. 95.
No,
It was
90.
95. This was 95. We got Japan before that. You know,
Okay.
Mikey them. The first Japan Splash was in 1990. Yeah, that's how we Mikey them and thing. But after the whole contract, you know, with me and thing, we went 95. Shadow line up Japan Splash. And we get, I think a 30 grand we get. For that show there. Brian come back with car, me come back with car. And that's how we start to look money now.
Yes.
Because before that, you know, nothing before. Up to them time, whenever I say I royalty check, you don't know what a check look like, you know.
Really?
Seriously.
I don't know what a royalty check looks like. You understand? I never see a royalty check yet. So we do Japan Splash now. We shut a line up and thing. And when we do the Japan Splash, you had Shaggy them did up on the Japan Splash. So this is how we meet Shaggy them. You know, through Robert Livingston and the whole crew there. So the big yard thing.
Big yard.
So that's how we get to link up with Shaggy them and do the show. Sometimes we just run up and do some background with them. Just to see them.
Because him thing did sound good.
Yeah.
Sound good.
And then after that now, after we come back now, we link up with Robert and, you know, work out a deal to go up and tour with DJ, own the show. And so that's how we started touring with Shaggy. You understand? And with Big Yard, at this one, we see royalty statement. We look what royalty statement look like.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the first time we see royalty statement that when we start work with Big Yard.
The next level of the business.
Yeah, man, start work with Big Yard and we start we look at things them and record them and with Shaggy them. If Shaggy had an album, you understand?
Background, yes.
Because
some of Shaggy's biggest songs, well, on that album, that you are on a couple of those songs.
What did a lot of work with?
Yes.
From them time, there's just the whole crew that now, the new.
Yeah, Hot Shots, I think that album name.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because before that, now, anywhere we go, we always loyal, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
I realize,
Yeah, man, we always loyal.
to your own
so-
detriment too.
Yeah. Somebody say, especially say you can be loyal but not foolish.
Yes.
But we did so loyal, so when we are work with Mikey them, and Mikey them we are work with. We not go out and them time they might tell you to say, you know, need to go.
Run work for all of people.
Yeah, cause
Lenny tell me say the same thing they reach you with them.
I'll get that deal and all the things.
Other man tell you say, yo,
understand?
voice, enough.
Yeah.
Enough.
Yeah. And
Producers.
If you notice, all of the man that was signed from another times, like the Shabba, the Garnet, all of them man, them always have tune all about the place.
All about the place.
So you gain, so you get record company to hear you, you know.
So how did the career progress at Big Yard?
Go on good, you know.
Go on good.
Go on good, my brother. Go on good. But we want our album now, we are working on our album now to come out. So, we there a Big Yard and the years up by 1 year, 2
Because
years.
now I'll tell you the truth, I don't cut the brand, but the truth is going on tour with Shaggy. Shaggy used to tour, like he was one of them tour artists there. And we up on the road and we still going, so we said it would be an opportunity for us. You understand, to start go out there and gain that experience by touring and things. So we wanted to own for the show with Shaggy. And then at the same time we carry a background for him. So we started. But so when we did with Shaggy now one thing, we are gaining that experience and then we wanted to record because we are solo artists.
Yes.
In our own right. So we want to record to put out we out there. And so we started that with Big Yard where we started with album and all them things. But it take forever.
Take a while.
Because
I guess probably the focus was on Shaggy too.
the loyalty. The loyalty was
Now
that.
they're now going away again. Said
Yeah,
it.
the loyalty, and then when Big Yard bust out now, you have other artists in the camp. Other artists might get a little buzz. See? And them say, alright, Brian, you have no easy make we
Push them.
push that artist there. So it happened for you understand? Until it started frustrated, where the album just did it.
On the back burner.
You understand? So that was the frustrating part of being in a Big Yard. But outside of that, touring and everything, yeah, you see the world and we make some food too, because at this we really see food out of the business, you understand? Before that we never used to see no money. You know, so it really helped.
Yes.
You know?
You guys have hit songs, like a lot of hit songs.
Yeah, man.
No 1 or 2 or no 3 or 4 or 5. And you guys are not only, me just talk about the duo now, but you guys are also a part of many other hit songs and provide backing vocals on many other hit songs.
Come put somebody's song there. Make my do Buju Banton.
Girl,
But-
you make my day. Ooh, yeah.
For little things you do and say.
Girl, you make my day. Please stay. Don't ever go away.
So as we sing that part there on the Buju song,
Yeah.
I wonder if people don't know, because them say, no people say, so like girl. Like, because they want to say, even when we had a background,
Yeah.
you used to have some man used to want, like girl, like
That they want that girl vibe.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
but they might tell me if you sing it, and we say no. But no, can't do it. Because them just warm
Like,
right
to the goal, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
alright, the next tune now is Crying Morning, just can't wait till morning. Shovel that.
Yes.
And Flex.
Flex.
Yeah, man, Flex.
Alright.
Cabra.
Yeah.
Yes.
Number 2. Someone are playing number 2.
Terror Fabulous.
I don't want to lay down for true, cause you know none of that you won't do. Cause every time I see the little fat thing, you me have to sing, say, wow, the fabulous just darling. Me love the whole of them cause she charming. And every man knows say the woman them a lead. Them a and pepper seed again. Wow, the fabulous baby. And she drive the old gangster crazy. If I hear the body, me say me can't resist. So how the hell leap a man and switch?
Saw you this morning.
That's you, yeah. Me and my crew.
We're on another
We're on
level.
another level.
It's
It's a
a
new
mountain.
sound. Wow, wow. Me and my crew. We're on another level. Hitting it with a new sound. Wow, wow. So all them part that we sing them part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walk them right and keep them coming.
We anyone that?
Keep them coming, coming, coming.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Alright, the next tune really pain down tune there.
Yeah.
That tune is good.
Right at you.
My turn
So we
to
shine.
shine.
Yeah?
I love you enough. Alright, Malvo.
You say all of them tune back in them days.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them have
I want to work with Maxi Priest, so.
Maxi Pre.
Brown and brown eyes.
Yes.
You know when I said that, I think Malvo version with
Malvo.
it. So back.
So from Sweet Lies, bury someone. I will
Berries.
background there. You understand? So you name it, man. We do a lot of background.
Gregory Isaac with the background for Gregory.
Which
Yeah,
Gregory
man,
that?
Cocoa
Cocoa
tea.
tea.
Alright, cocoa tea. Now
Yeah.
we have to talk about cocoa tea. Cocoa tea and Tony Rehearsal. Them man, you know, them man, they are Rasta man.
Yes.
Yeah, tune we do
They know nothing about Tylee.
Yeah.
Them man, I come tell you about Tylee. Now we end up a sing some really background vocals upon some song and tell you about Tylee, you know, my brother. So it just real pleasing for know, so I come know Tylee now and realize it. But Tylee have me a sing about him long time. Tylee, Selassie, Tony Rebel song, a brand and Tony Bull that I sing the back.
Yeah.
Cocoa tea.
Tune we do like scarf.
Yeah, man, cocoa tea.
Yeah, very true that.
Enough.
No.
Maxi Priest.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I just feel
Half pint.
Half pint.
Yeah, man.
Which half pint tune on that one?
Which half? Me they sing a one note part. Me nothing brand sing part. They sing part. What is song again?
Enough sound and all by all of them.
Enough song, man.
You know, Beanie Man.
Yeah.
Then,
Man, if you have enough,
yeah, man.
friend. All them things.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So,
And the thing is, you know, the producer them now, when them call Brian and Tony, I look at the producer and I say, where you want pan a tune? I say, why the thing, you know, him not know. He has the thing right. Just do it.
Just do something for it.
Yeah, I don't know really. Them just want, and then you also take our voice, pull out the artist's voice and keep our voice in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that. Yeah, them,
So those are just background vocals, but you have big collaboration.
Yeah.
Collaboration with Bounty Killer. Love that's real.
yeah.
Yeah.
I love that strong, I love that's real for the world to see. Do you believe in me?
it could never change to
Always be everlasting love
for you and me.
Capleton, living in a dream.
Hey, she must be living it. You know, so when they hear a tune, I say, when people they really do a tune.
Yeah, man.
But me
Yeah,
remember
man. Living in a dream, it's over there. Yeah.
Alright. She's my private property.
Shabba around.
Shabba.
She belongs to me. Don't trespass.
Oh,
You have Genie with Shaggy.
that
Yes.
tune a big Africa.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have Hey Sexy Lady with Shaggy. Massive.
She was
So.
a genie and a perfect work of art. She had a certain like that overcame the dark. Could never imagine this love to fall apart. My baby, my love, one who won my heart.
She's mine. She's mine. Then my youth that did come out with a David did come out with a song similar, you know, the same vein, but She's Mine again and hit after that.
Yeah, and then the monster now, like I said, was Sexy Lady.
Sexy Lady for Hot Shot.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Big tune.
Big tune. Up to today, that tune.
Big tune. Yes.
Ladies again, telling all the ladies.
Yeah, and Daddy Screw have a tune.
She had the body of an angel. Look at her eyes, everything is just well. I just want thing me have to set to her when she a pass. Oh, man, you make me head swell. Yeah. So we have Holy Papa.
Jaja. Yeah.
We have that kind of combination.
No, Irresistible a phone tune. Yeah, you also have Hope. You sing, I think Prince Maida's son Shaggy with Hope again.
Yeah.
Background on the pan that. Yeah.
It was for Rick Rock.
Rick Rock and Bonafide.
Yeah.
Yes.
Background again there, sir. I wish someone know the background pan that I question. Which big tune? Whole heap of work. And the individual, the Brian and Tony Gold, some of the big songs, the woo song, woo, I don't know how to pronounce it.
You want all the love you deserve. And the heat is on your mind. Don't you even think about it. I'll be there just to wrap around you. One thing this good can't be denied. One thing's for sure, that you should be mine. Anything you want, you've got to fortify my love. You fortify me. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Tell me your name.
Tell me your name. Give me your number. You give me the vibe. I wanna be your lover. Tell me your time. Right over. Oh, you and me together.
So tell me your name. Give me your number. You give me a vibe. I wanna be your lover. Tell me your time. Be right over, girl. You and me together.
All right, we're going to talk about some other things and we'll talk about a few more songs down the road. Yeah? So now, many songs, many hit songs, many background vocal hit songs, too much hit songs. Yeah? Too much, yeah? So watch it now, of all the songs that you guys have done for people, as in background vocal, is there any song out of the lot where resonate with anyone and you like, you really love that song there, differently?
Girl,
Even one of your song,
Girl,
you
you
make.
make my
Yeah, I think it's the same thing with me. Guys,
Yes.
have vocals there.
Yeah.
It's like when we do the vocals, it's like it was so wicked. It stand out to this very day to me. It's just, yeah, man. It's
Girl,
stand
you
out.
make my day.
Yeah,
With Gargamel.
yeah, man.
And really stand out.
Yes. Yes.
And them a call us pirates, them a call us illegal broadcasters. DTI try to stop us, but they can't. Them a call us pirates, them a call us illegal broadcasters. Just because we play what the people want.
The half point I made was Substitute Lover.
Ah,
Yeah, I made the background part.
girl.
Yeah.
Oh, girl.
Substitute Lover. Yeah. Girl, oh girl,
Yeah.
don't take me for no substitute lover. Oh no. Yeah, man.
A monster tune that today.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
You guys mentioned writing before,
Yes.
right? And early out, you did a lot of covers, but then you also wrote for yourself. Is there anybody in the business that you guys have written for?
I have written for Dennis Brown.
D. Brown.
Yes. I write for Chaperons as well.
Yeah.
Him at the right time.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Shaggy.
Yeah.
I helped write song for Dennis. If you want me, you gotta take me as I am. Yeah. Mikey Bennett, I'm saying, play a great role.
In developing the right time, you know.
Yeah, you know, teacher, you have to read and write.
Yes.
After, so. In broad more scopes on the writing. You know, you can earn a good food from
with in a big yard crew too, Robert always
Livingston.
Yeah, always I look out if I think I go on and say, yo, remember Robert too,
Yeah.
Always.
Give thanks.
Yeah, that's what I learned about splits.
Yeah, man.
Equal share.
Yes.
How much man equal.
Equal share. Nice.
Because I
nice.
think on that album, you know, I think Sexy Lady was the last song with that album.
Sexy Lady. Yeah?
Yeah, man. I think and I said, Brian, but yeah, I
Yes.
That was the last song I think was recorded for the album. Big tune, you know, big when you go around the world and perform.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have also opened for big names. Regina Bell.
Regina Bell. Yeah, Regina Bell.
What was that experience like though?
In the National Arena.
Great,
Yeah.
man, 'cause at them time you feel say you reach somewhere at the music,
Yeah.
you understand, because you're home for them people and it feels so good. I remember we did CC Peniston.
Yes.
What tune you do again? CC Peniston.
Right.
Yeah, but we open for her. I mean, I tell her, say, when we done perform, she come here with just in row.
Yeah.
And them two youth, they go, wicked.
Talking about concert, Dennis Brown did have a show named
Inseparable.
Arena.
Yeah.
Brother, from we do Poison with Dennis, anywhere Dennis a perform, he requests Brian and Tony will come, whether a yard or a broad.
Nice.
Requests, he will come, brother.
Yeah, man, because them have the Sunsplash tour, and we go to a couple of days and the tour and stuff like that.
And from him, Siwi, it's like it putting himself in our next gear.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So,
I just posted something on my Instagram to where we talk about recording with Dennis Brown, meeting Dennis Brown and for recording him. It's like when we go in the studio, and we have Vice. Because then we're young and ready for going on, we have Vice with Dennis Brown, so you have to put out your best.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and we're going to the studio, man, and Brian have the high register.
Yes.
So when Brian hit them, Dennis Brown decided to have to hit them too.
Yeah.
Hit them in
Yeah,
the
man, and
brother.
Dennis Brown, I hit them with them and thing, and it's like the travel in the vice room, you know, when the song done, I will come out of the vice room and I go back into the control room. Now it's like Dennis Brown said, "Jesus Christ, Mikey, and where you get them from?" Yeah, man. It was, and Dennis Brown, they have a love for it to him.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Because they realize the kind
talent.
of and the kind of person we are too. You
Yes,
understand?
yes.
We did humble and man. So we kind of have that love for it. So we did 2 songs with Dennis Brown.
So Poison and the other, which was
Sherry.
Sherry.
Sherry, baby. Sherry, love me tonight.
I just did love too much already. Yeah, man.
Anybody write anything for Brian and Tony Gold?
Yes, you know.
Any particular song you want to mention?
You see that song with Delly Ranks, I think, and Delly did write it too. Yes.
Okay, nice.
I hope to Linda.
Hope done.
Yeah.
Can't afford to plan. Plus,
one of the biggest songs we have.
yes.
Can you? Yes.
That was by Hopeton.
Hopeton.
Brian.
Okay.
Yeah. And one of the biggest songs.
To date.
Wrote a letter to my dear friend in South Africa.
Yeah. Her reply brought tears to my eyes. Yeah. Though she tried her best to hide the pain she felt inside, 'twasn't hard to read between the lines when she said, "Can you swim on any beach you want to?" She asked again, "Can you stay up late at night when you want to? Are there no signs in town saying we want no blacks around? Well, you must be living in paradise.
And that song there, if you know that song that come about, it was because of the whole
Apartheid situation in South Africa.
It played a big role. But when that song they write, I never say who did write for.
Yes.
But I never we write for him.
Yeah, but I own up the voice for.
No, when me hear the song, I say, no, sir. I love singing that tune.
Yeah?
Go to Mike and Mike and say, I can't sing that tune. You understand?
Yeah.
I can't sing that tune. So it's like about either 3 or 4 times you have to re-record the song. Cause like when we go in at the studio and record it, and we come back and we listen. You say, no.
I don't think I hate that.
Mikey, you understand?
Mikey.
Yeah, the teacher.
Yeah.
When we say I hate that.
Yeah.
And I hate that.
I'm ready. I'll give
Because
back again.
Mikey, I hate this.
And why that song is so great is because of the musicianship, the engineer.
Who played on
You
it?
understand?
Danny Brown.
Danny.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I don't remember all of the musician, but the
Yes.
musicianship on the song there,
Yeah.
plus all the record, plus all the mix, plus that you call production. You
Yes.
understand? That was a well produced song. And the one that was standout song up to this day.
Yes.
I can't remember, you know. Can't remember.
In your head, Brian and Tony, do you feel that as a duo, you guys are not appreciated and probably underrated in the business? Because me I sit down here saying, I listen to the vocals, and I say, I am no musical expert, you know.
Yeah.
But me I listen to the thing and you know normal.
Alright, well here we know. Some people have the opinions we're underrated. Some people have it said we get ratings. Well, for me that's the journey.
Just a journey.
That's the journey, my brother.
Yes.
And we now stop singing, I'll be here singing forever and ever.
Yes. What's the biggest stage you guys ever walked on to perform as a duo? Biggest crowd when you go out there one day if I want to really perform.
Japan Splash.
Japan Splash.
Yeah, Japan.
Yeah.
You see Japan, when Japan present reggae music, I don't really see nobody else present it, including
Jamaica.
Can't present reggae music like how the Japanese
And the discipline, you know.
Yes.
And the appreciation, how them appreciate the music.
Yes.
You understand? Because they must sing a song and they can't speak English, you know.
And they must sing a song there, word for word.
Word for
Yeah,
word.
man. And then like Japan, yeah, perform with like 70,000 people. You know? Yeah, so, yeah, man.
Them time now when you go there, them treat you like royalty.
Yeah,
Yes.
As the artist.
Yes.
You can say that.
Where is your favorite place to perform for the duo?
Well,
Japan for me.
Japan for you.
Yeah.
we get a chance to go Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Go perform for New Year's.
Yeah.
Remember them show they go
Yeah.
New Year's at
Yeah.
Ethiopia. At the palace of it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good vibes.
The palace was next door. So
Yes.
The hotel that we stayed at, the Selassie Palace was
Next
right
door.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The same wall bar. Right? What's that?
Yes.
So looking at you a long time. Thanks, fella.
Many big songs, many hit songs, many number ones, but oftentimes the artist's favorite song may not be the best song commercially or the most popular
True,
song.
yeah, talk.
Yeah.
For the duo, which song uno then say are the song they go
Jump in
to?
and tell you my
Yeah.
favorite song.
Yes,
We do a song with Junior King.
yes,
Give me that feet.
yes.
And that song that come about at a very crucial time in a Brian life. Just when me a search and want to go to the higher level they know and me a sing to the Father now. We have neglected the marvelous works you have performed and taken for granted. Your forgiveness when we do wrong. Lord, hear my plea. Uplift us with your mercy. With hearts and hands on bended knees, we ask of thee to give me the faith that I long for, hope that I pray for. Give me the strength, Lord, to carry on from day to day, and give me the love for one another, and be my bridge over troubled waters. Give me the hope, Lord, to carry on from day to day. Hear what Junior can tell me on the tune now, brother. I'm saying, Well, they got devil vibes. Live up, live up, live up and just be wise. With a little bit of pain to teach you life. Remember Jah and you will survive. Yo, hey, wake up this morning and never drink no tea. But my faith is intact in the Almighty. Hey, remember send me say fi pray daily. And a Jah richest blessings, hey, you give me. That song, my brother, till today.
My tune,
My tune.
Can You, Irresistible.
Yeah. But they ask me irresistible later. But give me peace side.
I've been waiting for you all of my life. Now I've got you here, oh baby. And you don't need to hug your pillow tonight. True love we're gonna share. And whoa, yeah, yeah, 'cause you're so lovable, huggable, and so touchable. It's you that I need right now. Fill me up and you're incredible, irresistible, and so kissable. It's you that I need right now, yeah.
Oh, the magic that I see in your eyes.
Whoa.
Could open heaven's gates. Ooh. And you were sent as my angel in disguise. I swear it must be fair. Oh, yeah, yes. 'Cause you're so lovable, huggable, and so touchable. It's you that I need right now. Oh, baby.
Yo.
Yeah, man.
Why is that your favorite song?
It's just the lyrics and the passion. You know, some of these girls.
Just a vibe, it's an energy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't even know his way to really say, you know?
Yes.
And for party, a sexy lady.
Yeah, sexy lady. Yeah.
The energy what I tune in the break.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
The tune, man.
Looking at the journey though, Brian, Tony, is there anything you do differently as a duo if you get the chance to redo the musical journey here?
Yeah, the signing with Bo.
Simple.
Simple.
Right, that's what it is.
That really hurt to know.
Yeah, man. That's type of career.
Rob couple years well out of the
That's type of
mission.
career,
Yeah, man.
but we couldn't record at the time.
Yes.
I just kill with his skill while we
Able to survive.
could have able to survive.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So you then do that differently,
Yeah,
not
man.
signing to
Because,
Power.
you know, say,
The name alone wrong, Power.
yeah, people looking towards Brian and Tony to be like next.
Yeah, because the vocals are there.
People used to tell me that to say, boy, we sound like R&B and all that.
Yes. Easy for crossover.
When we cover Poison,
Yes.
when we cover that song like Poison, people are telling us, yo, we have some friend new to do on the tune.
And I would have known by what they true. Yeah.
You do our tune. I always said, no, I for them tune. You know, but that's the kind. When I sing over a song, you have to do it. You have to do it justice.
Try even do it better than the original.
Yeah, man, you have to do justice.
Some of the man them couldn't get with to sing a song per se, a whole song, them get with to do the background vocals
Yes.
and treat it like the lead, you know?
What is the greatest musical achievement for Brian and Tony Gold? Probably different for each of yourself, so you can tell me.
Well,
That thing that when you look on, you're proud.
In terms of?
When you look on it, it make you feel a great sense of pride.
Hitting the charts, number 2 on the British
National charts.
yeah.
You understand? And
That is compliments on your kiss.
compliments in your case. And just the song that we shag to.
Sexy lady.
Irresistible.
Irresistible.
Almost go up on the national chart.
Yes.
I think Irresistible entered the charts.
Yeah.
Alright.
Irresistible
Get a little
entered the
fight
charts.
with up until this day, we don't really overstand it. But
Yeah.
we give thanks.
Yeah. So Tony's greatest achievement that resonates with you too.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But more adding
Yes.
irresistible.
Yes.
And you say, touring with Shaggy is that thing.
Yes.
Touring with Shaggy is that thing because
Big highlight for me.
American Music Awards, all of them things there, Rosie O'Donnell, David
Yes.
Letterman,
Yes.
all of them.
All of the big,
all
yes.
of them show there, you understand?
All of them.
Oh, to Arena, we toured with Backstreet Boys.
Boys.
Toured with Backstreet
Yeah, man,
Boys.
toured with Backstreet
How that
Boys.
came about? Because I
It's the
can't
same
just.
Shaggy, touring with Shaggy, and Shaggy was touring with Backstreet Boys. You
So
understand?
it
it's
thing
like-
just click.
Yeah, man. And
Great experience.
yeah, man. Backstreet Boys are right.
Yeah?
All them engineer. Yeah, because Backstreet Boys, I want to know how them can sound like.
Brian and
Yeah,
Tony
Brian and
Gold.
Tony and that crew there, you understand? Them fire them engineers. So that was an achievement. That was a great thing. You understand?
did that though.
Yeah, man. He a great engineer from me.
Errol Brown.
And thing. Yeah, man.
For Batman.
And that make us say what is touring really.
You see an next side of
Yeah,
business.
that was what touring is all about because everything was on point.
Yes.
You understand? The man did not itch. So true, we start 8:45 at night time. It has start
Yeah, for
8:45.
on time.
On
Professionalism.
Yeah, man. And you go up and you do your 45 minutes and you understand?
Yes.
And it was like that. Yeah, man. Everything, man.
You have certain
Everything.
clothes where you get from
Yeah,
here
man.
every night.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Catering, everything.
Here
Yes.
have to do
You understand? Yeah, man.
thing, yeah, man. You can't wear one thing twice.
Yes.
So you have to up
That-
when a time for up and
You
go
see
down.
what professionalism when it
Yes.
comes to touring.
Yes.
Brian and Tony Gold is easily one of the greatest duo in the history of the music. Like you can't go around that, right? But then, is there Brian and Tony Gold a thing still, or we just come together for the interview, or we still Brian and Tony Gold?
Alright. We still Brian and Tony Gold, you know.
Yes.
Brian and Tony Go is like it's like a marriage,
Yeah.
you know, musical. But
Yeah.
Brian decided to step out and started him
Solo career.
And this did happen now
Okay.
through the same time with their big yard and the album now come out.
You wanted more.
I know me can't say.
Yeah.
I need to hear some things out there. I want some things that happen, but it not happen the angle.
Yeah. So when Brian stepped out and do him solo thing, I was still at Big Yard.
Oh, you were still there.
I'm still at
Oh, so you were
Shaggy.
still there with Shaggy on the road.
Which
Still
now
at
bring me
Shaggy.
back now to what Tony Gold it said to me when we were working at Hofa. It's a goal. You have to make that decision, you know.
Yeah, you have to take chance.
Yeah, you have to take chance. You just have to take chance. So me now, say to him, when me I go decide for them, say a goal. Me I'm moving. You know, me I go moving. I know what you do, but me I go move.
Yeah.
At them time to know, me I grow my beard.
You discover a Safira
Twist up
then.
here, yeah. So me I learn some things, me I learn about the all scene I am, me I learn some powerful things. Plus, you know, my music I develop inside and I want a chance now to let it out, my brother. I now get it this up. So me I cut here, man. I think a German must see that coming and me go make it worse, me go get a middle seat on a long flight, my brother, that make it worse. And anybody will tell you, middle seat on the plane not pretty. What's
Yeah.
Frustration. But
Yeah.
not pretty.
the thing is,
Me I tell you everything.
when Brian leave, that's the time when he started transition and thing, and I didn't know the direction.
Yes.
Cause we never really discuss
Yes.
anything. Cause I remember doing an interview with RGR and Brian, and it's like the interview was kind of divided. Cause like I said, nobody explained to me, and it's like sometimes when you answer the question, and oh,
Yes.
it's like me I say, you understand?
Yes.
So then Brian, cause me never ready for Natty, cause me can't Natty again. You understand?
Yeah.
Me love, from me I grow, me love that.
Yes, I liberty there.
Him normally I sing the cultural tune.
Yeah, and thing. But like I said, we never discuss and things. So it's like him just leave and then through survival, you know,
You still have to do
I
work.
still have it. And I saw the whole thing. But him started do film thing and then me eventually start record
Yes.
and solo artist as well. You know, so me get a tune to date, me get a tune at the Florida charts. I think we're like in the top 5.
Yeah?
You know, yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man. So, you know, we still have the thing and we can't stop. 'Cause up to this day,
Yes.
my record is just straight. You know?
So you still record as a duo?
No, we still record.
Solo, yes, yes.
Not together yet.
Yes,
Right now.
okay.
Me linked him for the interview. He wasn't familiar with it. Until I him say, I'm
Go to
listen.
over.
Give thanks, give thanks, give
And
thanks,
him
give
say,
thanks.
him say, yeah, I will do it. You know, this, we haven't performed for
March
many years.
27th, 2008.
2018.
And that wasn't even
And that is true.
it was a Brian thing and him invited me to come perform.
Nice, nice,
So I
nice.
did that and thing. But before that, I think like it was from 07. I've
07.
never performed, and then that was the only time since then time we performed.
And then teach them, yes, sir.
And then teach them.
Give thanks.
Great.
Give thanks. Well, we don't know about that yet still, but give thanks, give thanks, give thanks.
So teach them say, Brian and Tony, we welcome.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I will give thanks.
Is there anything musically where Brian and Tony Gold still hope to achieve together?
The number one on the national.
Number one for the national chart. Yeah. Would be deserving too. Would be deserving. Yes. Yeah. We know that the WOFAB thing and the Pantyhose thing before you really and truly delve into the music was a thing. So you guys would have done things outside of the music. But separate and apart from that, if it wasn't music, what would Brian Gold be doing?
Well,
What is that one other thing where you see yourself a pursue to make some food put on your table?
You see, work from me, I go KC.
Yeah.
Make sure some pass English and make sure some know like maths. No, me did know some more on the music.
Yes.
That will tell some I can write me song. I must can count the money.
Yeah. But you still don't tell me what you then want, you know, outside of music, you know. Nothing else.
Those music them time you see.
Tony about to shake your head. If it was a music, what would that one thing that Tony Gold would be doing?
If it was music, it would be music. You
It
know?
would be music, yeah?
Yeah, now me can tell you something that the farming.
Farming.
I'm in a farming.
Yes,
now.
nice.
Then time the music.
If it was music, you know,
Yes.
it's just music. You don't have blood, you know.
Yeah. There are other songs out there where we didn't even talk about what on our background vocals span.
Tell me why can't I be your friend for life?
For life, for life, for life.
You know that I always want to be by your side. Ooh, yes. Dennis Brown, yeah, what cocoa tea was that? Good, good, goody, goody, good. She wants a good life, no matter what rain and shine.
Yes. She says she wants a good life. Because of pain and strife.
Yeah,
Cocoa tea. Cocoa tea, we have to sing them songs.
Shabarangs.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bird around, bird around, shabarangs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Who-
Dennis, again.
It's not an easy road. I mean, you see the glamour and the glitter, so they think I better road. They say, who feels it knows? Woo, 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 woo. And then it's up, then it flows. It's not an easy road. I mean,
Glamour and the glitter, so they think I better road. Listen.
who feels it knows? Yeah, man, we have to pick up Sil, you know. Because Sil is from two friends these
That's still from Cell Block.
Yeah, man, Sil from Cell Block. I produce a tune, so we have to big him up too. You
Yeah.
understand? No for Bujo tune them, man. No for Bujo tune them, pan. You understand? Till Shiloh album.
Till Shiloh.
Yeah, man. It's just that the tune. them-
Greatest Buju album.
You understand?
Toots.
The untold story.
Yes, and
Yeah, man.
Oh.
All of them things, but them not come. There's so
Yes,
much
me understand,
tune,
me
you
understand, me understand.
Yeah, man.
they will come while we are.
But
Yes.
there was a time when, like me say, nothing can do without a man say Brian.
Tony Gold.
You understand? Brian.
The Brian and Tony Gold are the Sly and Robbie. So Sly and Robbie are the musician and Brian and Tony Gold are the all of the big things them on the upon them.
Respect was there. There was somebody that came down from Farid. Some white people and they want some background vocals and
Yes.
Robbie them make we go do the work of the people and the background vocals. But the brother know a peer problem Maggie in the studio. So every time we sing and like Maggie we frustrated, you know. We make Robbie know say, yo Robbie, man, you understand?
Yeah.
Robbie go to the man and say, yo, you see that that is Brian and Tony. It's when Brian and Tony are make Brian and Tony.
Simple, man.
Brian and said nothing after that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
My favorite Brian and Tony goal is it must be a sign.
Big
Oh,
tune.
yeah.
Big tune. Small and
Yeah.
Must be a sign. Saw you in my dreams and now you're standing right in front of my eyes.
Baby, it must be a sign. I swear by any means I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life. Yeah.
Now every day I go so mountain.
Yeah, big song.
man, big
Something
song.
special about that song, the film
Yeah,
is
man,
that this song from both of you.
remember that song. But
Yeah?
that song, yeah, man.
Big song. Yeah, there's another song we don't mention yet. Love Me Always.
Love me always. Ooh, there ain't nobody else, baby. Love me always. Ooh, there ain't nobody else, yeah.
Big
Darling, please understand. I wanna be your man. Enough true, man.
Love children.
Yeah, man, enough true.
So what you write now? Cause Brian, where Tony, are you in Jamaica or how that set up?
He's a rural, you know.
Yes, early. So you're in and out,
Yeah,
in and out.
yeah.
Yeah. Brian, you're there yard.
Yeah,
You're there yard. Yes, up in the hills. So now, as it really, because I'm assuming that you guys probably get requests for dub plates on a regular, or not.
Yeah,
So,
we get requests.
so on the work out that
No,
scene that.
it's not on a regular. I don't not on a regular, but the thing is true. We've been,
Yes.
you understand, like Brian at Jamaica more now, so I don't know if him get requests.
Okay.
If me do get
Understand?
Tony Gold there, call him and we go shot it. If him not there, I feel like we can eat that food.
You eat the food. Okay. So for the people out there who want to get in touch for that purpose, how do they go about doing that? And a Brian and Tony go then one. They don't want Brian or Tony. They want
that is
Brian
a
and
problem,
Tony go.
That is a problem. Them always want Brian and Tony.
Yeah, but
You
them
know?
no want pay for the brand and Tony. No, them want pay as one.
One. Yeah.
Two.
One or two.
Them want me sing all Tony Gold part and and everything. You know,
Yeah.
But just, yeah.
One payment.
But others, the journey.
Yeah, so we know it's a booking a show and you guys aren't really performing together at the moment though.
Yeah.
When people can really look for see the great Brian and Tony go like hit the stage together.
You know, sir, I went Brian ready still.
When Brian ready.
Yeah, cause
So Tony is ready.
yeah, man, at the time.
It's people who want to see
Yes,
them
sir.
put it back.
Yeah, man, when Brian ready.
Brian, what you waiting on, sir?
Me go wait for the people and plus make me know.
Yes.
Say, yo, who want you
Because
to
overseas, like them approach me all the time, but they want Brian and Tony.
Tony Goal.
You understand?
Because Brian and Tony Goal is a thing, you know. He's the thing, you know. You understand? I can understand that. Brian, fix the thing. How people can get in touch with you guys?
My number is 542-7715.
Yeah.
That are local.
Yes.
876 917-518-0493. Facebook, Patrick Tony Gold Morrison. Instagram, Tony Gold 65. Instagram, that, you know.
Father Brian.
Well, for Brian, now you can reach me at 876-374-8788. And when you dial that number, you're going to hear a female. Because I tell you, women play a big role in my life.
I say, yeah, and the great Seal.
Yes, the great Seal.
Fort Seal guy from Cell Block.
Cell block.
So
Yeah.
him always have my
The
contacts.
link. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
his number is 827-6761.
827-6761.
Yeah, man.
876.
So in time one, if you can't find me, link
Yes.
Seal and I eat that.
Yeah.
So if you can't find her,
Yeah.
876-374-8788, the female will can be able to tell
Yes.
where I am.
Brian,
Yes,
how many kids?
All right, hear me now, teacher. I have 9
9.
children. At present.
Yeah.
There's so much of that, Mr. Gold.
Yeah.
At present, what do you mean at present, Brian?
Sometimes you have to take care of someone.
Oh, okay. Oh, me just ask. If I
Remember, I tell you about my grandfather.
your father.
Father, lineage.
Yeah.
So me I play my role.
Yeah, carry on.
I shy away from it.
Yes.
I play rhymes and breed and multiply and replenish the earth. I play my role.
Ever been married?
No.
Any plans to?
Yes, you know.
Give thanks.
Yes. That girl here. That same one.
That's your one.
That 876.
That's your one. Sir Tony, how many kids, sir?
Children. Camera like Kingston.
How many children?
Yeah, right. Kids living up there.
2 sons. Yeah.
I have 2 boys.
Been married?
Been married once.
Yeah.
You know, you don't know, things happen.
Yeah. Are you there to get trouble, sir?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. I appreciate the honesty.
I mean,
Yeah.
get trouble.
Any plans to do that? Take on that journey there again?
Yeah, man. I'd love to.
Yeah, I'd love to.
Yeah, man.
From me, you know, to the man them, I would have learned so much just sitting here. You understand? Me really see the greatness of the man them, and a lot of other work I wanna do we still not even mention yet. You understand what I say? So the thing is that we know that the thing not really Brian and Tony Gold like it used to be Brian and Tony Gold. The people them would then love to see that. So sometimes you say I wait for the people them.
Alright.
So make the people them get some of the greatness.
That's what we know, man.
You
Yeah,
understand?
we don't without the item. We don't jump the gun. We want to know from the item, man.
Yes, and for me, easily, as I've said it a couple of times, easily one of the greatest doors in the history of Jamaican music, whether dancehall, whether reggae, whether whatever it is, yeah, the musical talent, the vocal artistry just different. And Mr. Me is not a musical expert like that, but me can tell when a man can sing. So the man them, and it's a joy to teach them how the 2 man them in the same space. You understand? Despite the challenges, we give thanks, and as I say, it's a joy for the man them recognize the work and willing to come forward, and we sit down and we all a reason. We have some more little hiccups this evening, but greatness are greatness.
The name I draw.
Greatness are greatness. A name.
You never tell him in life, I'm pure teacher.
So we're out here. For the fans I'm out there, Brian, you have anything to leave with them?
Love yourself. Love your brother and sister. Love your family, man. And stop the hate and just more love. And just more love. One perfect love. Rastafari.
Sir Tony?
You see, right now, with all the world around, only love can save you, you know. So you see all the vanity and the money and all them things that people around now. Now ever save you. Just live in love, peace and harmony.
Yeah.
And we'll all make it through.
Is there a song with Brian and Tony Gold where them feel not get no justice and not reach the people them?
I'm not for If we spread love, why don't we give love? See, remember
Yeah, man, there's so much sound.
Enough sound, man. If you sell out your soul for vanity, what would you have in the end for your sanity? If you're spilling the blood of humanity, you're only killing off your friends and your family. So take a little time out to rationalize and look into yourself for a minute and visualize. Send up your prayers every day unto the Most High. No matter what the tribulations in life, hold tight. Aye.
My thing.
That's where I have to leave with you.
Give thanks.
Wonderful.
Elders.
Yeah, man.
Big man. Big man.
Yeah, man.
It's an honor, brother. It's a joy.
It's always a
Let's
pleasure.
go and put in the work,
Yeah.
and we say Brian and Tony Gold.
Yes, sir.
You
And
understand?
the Rastafari community, big up yourself, you know we can't leave without saying that. Ethiopia, we're yarding home to thee, mommy. Preserve a space, not the yard for the Rastafari family. Woo-wee. Ethiopia, we are yarding home to thee, mommy. Preserve a space, not the yard, fit the Rasta, far right family.
And you forgave me once, now you say you're sorry won't do. I heard you leaving, say it ain't true. It's always been me and you, but you said I broke your heart more than once. You said this is overdue, and I will never find another like you. You're right, it's always been you and you.
See, I've been working my fingers to the bone. I can't wait to get back home, 'cause my baby's all alone. See, I've been working my fingers to the bone. I can't wait to get back home, not the same over the phone.
'Cause you alone, me love girl, are you alone? And I will never leave you alone, 'cause me only love you alone. You alone, you alone, you alone. 'Cause it was love at first sight in an instant. Me no need no co-sign or assistant. Walk up to you, baby girl, 'cause That's what's out there, remember?
Dennis Brown, Barry Salmon, Sanchez, Buju Banton, Cabra, Capleton, a million people. Is there anybody out there who would not work with it, who would love to do a song together with, as Brian and Tony Gold?
Alright, well, I don't know.
In terms of combination.
Yes, man, collaboration.
No. You see Luciano?
Messenger.
Upbringing Luciano music really helped me. Sweep over my soul. All them songs along my journey, them was feeling, brother. So Luciano, I want you to me that love the song.
Tony?
I can't single out nobody.
Can't single out nobody.
There's so much great
No, yeah, man, I'm
artists.
would I welcome
performers.
all of them, any one of them who ask me, brother.
Yes.
So it's like, yeah, man.
Give
I'm
thanks.
open, you know?
A lot of time I say give thanks, but may I give thanks at all?
Yeah, man.
It's an honor.
Yeah, man. Every
It's an
time.
honor.
Yeah,
It's
man,
an
every
honor.
time.
Said I wasn't expecting this. Now teach them come here fi run the place.
From out of the blues, you stole my heart. Teach them aim and shot your bow. Now every day I'm praying. Every day I'm praying we'll never part. Teach them you hit you right between the eyes with your sweet soul. What a shot I'll never.
Body know.
Teach them. Pass me a dub plate. Teach them gonna teach some people tonight. Pass me a dub plate. Teach them gonna teach so no put up no fight. Yeah.
Bless up yourself.
Bless up, teach them. Must be a sign. Teach them saw you in his dreams and now you're standing right in front of his eyes.
Hey, it must be a sign. I
Swear by any means,
teach them's gonna
love you for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
Teach them.
But heaven opened.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.